Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yo, Nakibi, what's up? Well, Graham, let me say, Urshipai, big up yourself. See there, Antasha says she's so grateful. Have to be. What a blessed show we have last night. Auntie Milo, Wagwan, all the cooking I go, Milo. All the cooking I go. Milo, we know this, you're not telling me nothing about the cooking, you know. Right? You're not telling me nothing when the pot them spoil, you know. Munchie there. Milo said the cooking the pump. I love her, see. Milo said the cooking the on pause, people. The cooking the on pause, right? You know what you mean, Milo? Sometimes you have to pause them up, man. Sure. Right? You know, I don't stress for the thing, you know. See? Cooking the on pause, right? Milo said the cooking the on pause, right? You know. Nah, too pressure, no cooking thing. See, Milo, we know the levels. Well, that thing, yeah. I just work with it, you know. This way the right and this way, you know. Phenomenal Saloon, big up yourself. Urshipai, why go down? Milo said cooking really hard. And ladies, when I want to come start pick pan her about. We should talk about cooking easy. It hard for she. Just like how it hard for me. Right? And just like how it hard for Munchie. Right? Milo can cook good, Raga can cook good, Munchie can cook good, Naki B can cook good, Christina Brown Sugar can cook good, right? Big up the can cook crew. Nothing wrong, right? Defend one another around here. All right. Queen Chantel says it's hard for me too. Okay, all right. See, I want to munch about don't mix me. I want me to you. Don't mix me. What you mean don't mix you? Munch, you done in this already, because that's a part of the problem. You can't even mix nothing for cook it up and thing or whatever, right? So you're well mixed down, you know. Right? See, one next one that we can cook good too and whatever. Can, you know, as we say in Jamaica, can bitch up something. Oh, by the way, I'm not being rude. That is actually something that Jamaican use to say, like, you cook up something real quick and you improvise. Jamaican say, even the most decent person in Jamaica would say, I'm going to bitch up something, right? And again, remember, you know, when you come here, you go hear the old school Jamaican things, you know, right? Again, I tell you, when you come here, so you go hear the old school Jamaican things. This show is going to highlight the old school Jamaican culture thing, right? So even the most decent person who not talk certain way, they use that term, meaning they might just drum up something quick, you know, they might bitch up something. I want to knock you about Misery Love Company. You know, they can't cook good crew, right? Nakibi, come on, you know your husband. All right, Nakibi, come out and post it and tell the world, say your husband can cook better than you. People, I can tell you, she going to say yes. Watch. Nakibi, post it and post say your husband can cook better than you. I'm waiting. The next thing she post, she going to agree with me. I'm waiting. Watch and see. Watch and see. She not post. Nakibi, you not. People, the fact that she not post and think that is an acknowledgement by itself and whatever. Her husband can cook better than her, trust me. And if all of the ANC them talking truth and whatever, if her sister, then me no learn from the best. See it there? She not really say it, you know. Right? But spoken like a true woman, you know, just throw it out ambiguous, you know, and think, yeah, you understand. Spiritually best, Chumpy can't cook, people, Chumpy can't cook. I'm look on Chumpy can't cook. He may do like me, you know, can, you know, add up look a sardine or something and put look a seasoning pan, you know, tin mackerel. But Chumpy can't cook. Chumpy, you know, how am I about really, Chumpy? I fool they take man for. Chumpy, I can't cook. You're not a big cook around here. Okay. Chumpy bought him a cook from year 7. Yeah, they are fireside, but the food not taste good. I be a plaka sitting here cook. Boy, you cook from year 7. When Akibi said, then if him can cook, then he taught me well. Either way, we a chef. When you say my husband can't cook, it's a marriage, right? What's yours is mine. What you are, I am too. Two come form one. So if I'm a big chef, you're a big chef too. It's one a big chef, no. Whole it is Akibi. Teddy bear. Big up. But Chrissy says she can't cook. Chrissy, me not know about that, you know, Chrissy. Chrissy, I'm a charge, you know, but me not know you was not cooking, you know, Chrissy. But I'm going like you want to come fool with. All right? Chrissy, don't go on like you want to come fool with, you know, Chrissy. Me not know you was no big cook. Dita can cook. Dita can cook. Craig, Tam, big up yourself, you know. Sinali just can't cook. She can decorate. She can decorate like a MF. Yeah? I'm gonna make she cook. Sinali just can't cook. All right? See them here, my Charm, darling, when you say, oh, and give me a big hug. Thank you, boo. Virtual hug. Mwah. All right. Spiritually blessed says she ain't a big cookie either. See there? Nothing wrong if you own up your thing. Nothing wrong if you own up your thing. Right? See there? Sinali just own up for your thing too. All right. Mwah. Back at you, Sean. See? So, Christina, come out and just admit the thing. Admit. Chrissy said, me too? What you mean, me too? What you want a kiss to Chrissy? Come for your kiss. A kiss you want? Tell me. I got you, boo. What you want, troops or good kiss? Talk to me. Chrissy, what kind of kiss you want? You want a troops or you want good kiss? No, say it. Me need to hear you say it. Chrissy, you have to say it, you know, because if me and you go do the things, I them figure them go on with, you know, me I ask if you say things, you know. Yeah. Yeah. I love them arms house, them, and I say, tell me so and so. Yeah, a good kiss you want, Chris. You got it, boo. Don't worry yourself, man. I'm like that. That means that me and you go and we look at something and I tell you, say, yo, say so and so and do so and so. You will do it just for the fun. Hey, Chris, yeah, I'm a G, you know. G, I know. Don't worry yourself. I hope Blossom a chat about she a big cook. Big cook where? But me go check out Blossom because me look pan her, me go know if she a big cook. Me go Blossom, me go on your page right now. Me go examine Blossom and thing. Me look pan Blossom over here, so now. Let me see Blossom say she a big cook. Me look pan her.
Stop worrying about what people say.
Me want a Blossom page a while ago and a be a nice read me. All right, me look pan Blossom outfit them over there.
Yes, I am.
Mother's Day. I be a music they on Blossom page, you know, me see what I go. I'm true, you know, true me go post back a show me can too. You see one Blossom a gin and you know people most of Blossom picture them, you know, it take a show her bumper, you know, because she have good bumper, you know. Blossom, you think you're easy. I don't wrong you, boo. Show your assets. If you got the assets, show them. Yeah. Most of Blossom picture them, she turns so, you know, whatever, you know, and Kubumpa, Blossom, hold them, Blossom, bust them head, Blossom, what them hear about, bust them head, yeah, Blossom will do these things randomly, well, Raga do them thing them. Yeah, man, Blossom a kill them with beer side picture. Watch your hand, I wonder with the leg raise, you know, the one leg raise thing, that one there. Let me see what going on, so Blossom, you have bumper and all them something there, but you can't cook, but you're not a big cook. Me look upon you, you're not a big cook. You's not a big cook, Blossom. You're not a big cook. You're not like tapa cook. You're not proper cook, right? You can't go on with a look of something, but me I look on you, and I have the amazing ability to look on somebody's picture, gallery, and can accurately tell if the Blossom is like, you're too funny, of course. I can accurately tell if the person is a good cook. Blossom, you can cook, you know, but me not know, I'm not feeling, you're not channeling like, you know, exceptional cook, extraordinary cook. I could be wrong, right, Blossom? I could be wrong, but I don't think I am, right? I don't think I am. We just check out Blossom page. Blossom are going with the bumper thing over there. Blossom supposed to have dead with la. People, you know, some say something there sometime and sometime it's true someone on a really out there like that and on a run them type of show you have to hear the something them and whatever. Believe me, right? People when they hear me telling you all the while say broke man and workless man, the woman them say them man they have the best sort out, don't? Broke man and workless man and them man they have the best sort out. You know me telling all the while, me telling that all the while, don't? So Trumpy say him see the video. All right, me now, when I can't see the video, so me I go just play the audio.
Good cocky we want. Just good cocky, that's it. The man them with no money, them have the biggest cocky.
So what can we do as the girl and will start that all?
What we tell the man them with no money? I just treat them nice, give them good food, and cook for them, and clean, and get the good cocky. Just good cocky we want.
So this lady is being interviewed, and the lady said she want the good something. She also said the man them with no money have the good body. When the interviewer asked her, oh, you reckon, sir, why you do that and whatever, you hear what she said? She said, you have to take care of them. You have to take care of the man them with the good body, them and them thing them and them. So all man don't listen to me, you know. I don't make no woman go around, you know. Right, me not say every woman stays so, you know. I want Nicky about that's a lie. Me not say every woman stays so, but men don't for a second go believe say all women are just goody two shoes, and if them have a good man, a good provider, compassionate, kind, emotionally available, you know all these catchphrases nowadays, that they're totally loyal to them, that all women are totally loyal to a man like that. Don't believe them. Don't believe them. Right? Don't believe them. Me not say all women stay so, right? You hear, is a woman attack, you know? Right? And she'll keep it 100. And she'll talk the truth. When enough woman now come out and say, right? So they know a woman can go and like say, them no like the good, you know, like them no like, you know, like, oh, I can do without it. And all them look at something there and all them thing there, whatever. Yeah, you hear what she say? So you know somebody like she may end up, I don't know, you know? She may have a man who will take care of her and spend money on her, and she will take that money, go and spend it on the good body man. Because it's about her, right? And what you are going to happen now? What you are going to happen now and thing and whatever this and that, yeah? What you are going to happen now? All of the women them who are watch right now, who at some point, you get some good something where you end up did I take care of a man and whatever, and you spend money upon a guy and whatever because it did good like that, and you take care of him and all them something there, just because him did have someone good sitting where you was good. Say me, post me. You're lucky if we see 5. Post me. Marcia good as never. We're lucky if we see 3 or 4 or 5. All of the woman them, see, the sinner keep it 100. That Mary will never ask if a post, not me. Okay. With your enough sell, but not me. We ask if a comment so come post, not me. We say who do it? Sinner say me, all right. Blossom say me, all right. Some user. Munchie, we never ask if you not me. Go for yourself with your liar self, Munchie. Me know say you, Munchie, you take care of good body already. Munchie, you were digmatized already. Me see it in you say you did go through some digmatization. Anyway, Richie said them a lie. Oh yeah, does paying to go seethe count? We don't know, fix up that. Fix up that. Sean Bass, a real talk, Raga. See it that? You see it? We ain't Naki being, you know. I say, Naki say yes, me take care of good body, man. Right? You see, she'll tell the truth. She'll tell the truth. About 4 we gone, you know. About 4. 3. Only 4. Now, Queen Chantel, and that I ask you if you take care of a good man. May I ask you if you have ever been in a position where Pretty Eye say me, we got 5. Where, listen, ladies, all man can tell you. Christina say me 6. Sheila say me. See, they never come out now 7. Never take that. It's like some of them are wait and say, let me see if anybody say it first. Right? And then the rest them come out. Right, we got 7. We got 7. Right, we got both 7. Right, we got both 7. Sheila, all know me a sweet. She meant do it. Okay, so all know she do it. She still yeah. Right? Christina said, good body man forget things. That's my girl right there. That's my girl right there. Naki B says she not take care of man only for body do. Let me tell you something. All of we men, we do that at some point in our life, right? I can't tell you that. Right? We get good tuning woman and thing and whatever. Oh, anything she wants, she get. We turn idiot over it. Worse when we're young. Right? Sean Bass said, my girl that. And I'm being very specific. Just because our tune good, that was it. The whole of week. Chumpy, you go through that down. Chumpy, talk it through. Chumpy, talk up, make we see what you say. Chumpy, talk up, make we see what you say. Chumpy, you ever mind a woman right out and take care of her right now because a good tune? Just because it good like that? First car I own in America is a married woman buy it. Chumpy, me not ask you that, you know. Okay, Chumpy say yes. Chumpy say yes. Sean Bass, I did get one and move her in the next year. Not bad. No. Where say Sean? And one round you get and say, no man, she need for moving. Come moving. Come in. Come live yes, man. And yes, you for live, man. One round you get Sean and you bring her in down. Bombard. You know it's a fear thing I go on. Yo, I don't know my story with them, something there with them, you know. You understand? Because I'm telling you, you know, me get good sitting and whatever, and I walk, and every minute, when you walk, you keep on thinking, you see the woman, you know. Again, when you're young, and when you're young, them things that matter, you know. Yeah, and I call her name, and I know some I call her name, and people have say, yeah, you mentioned that name there. And I say, no, I never said that. And then I say, yeah, you did. And I'm like, no. And then they're like, yes, you did. Right? Now, if I have control over them, something about any man tell you, say, them never, from them do so, them never yet Well, I'm not gonna say any man because you have some man and some big level sitting there out there, then can't. But not talk about what them do with it. It's just like even the best of the best woman, them just can't manage them because them just proportionately they're just out there like that. But outside of that, any man tell you say good pony can mash up your head and make you do foolishness and whatever. Them never get it yet. They never get it yet, right? And I suspect it's the same thing for woman. So this lady, I keep it real, you know. She know what she like, right? And she essentially, she's admitting that, yeah, the men out there with the best sort out, and as far as she's concerned, with the best instrument, she said these men are broke man, right? And there has to be some kernel of truth to that, you know, because people who are really attractive or people who are really capable in that area, they generally have no incentive to develop other areas of themselves, because based on the degree of the strength of, you know, that positive thing about them, that good thing about them, for them most of them life, them pretty much not for do nothing, right? Me in a supermarket, you know, and see one man, I'm a grown man, one man who can be considered very attractive, right? I'm not saying about 6'4", and by Western standards, he's considered very attractive. And me see that man with the greatest confidence when him a cash and grocery, you know. One lady, the lady where they behind him, you know. Him see, you know, scotchy, you know, when women say, man and them, whatever them get, same thing like how man do. You see a man going like them, I eat that when them run pretty woman and them something there. You have women who are like that. And when him see say she like that, the dog just say, can you pay for my groceries? And she was just like, sure. And you know, say something him do all the while, you know, because him know how him things set, you know. Right? Him know him things set. Just the same attractive woman now who used to them something there, who used to man a go hard for her just because of how she look and whatever. Yeah. She have them expectations there when she come around man and whatever. And what's the lesson here? If you start out with somebody or you interact with somebody who is just stunningly beautiful or stunningly handsome or whatever, don't fool yourself about who you deal with. You have to just tell yourself what this person is used to. You hear what I say? You have to just be objective and tell yourself what this person is used to. When I say used to, it coming like nothing to them. So, if you're a woman or a man, and you're there with somebody who is stunningly beautiful or stunningly handsome, accept it. Them used to getting what them want. So if you come with the regular thing with them people and now, and you expect to be treated a certain way, that is exceptional in in terms of like what you want, you know. You're being unrealistic. If you start talk to that person there, and you expect say all you start out with them one time and you and them then now and them supposed to capitulate and come over and what, you're being unrealistic. Somebody like that, you have to build something different than what them used to. And therefore it follows then that you might be smitten by this person and the person has show interest in you. But if the person don't know you like that, if the person don't know you like that, this person who is stunningly beautiful or stunningly handsome, them don't know you like that, but I show interest in you. Don't fool yourself that this is something like genuine or qualitatively rich. This is the part where enough people don't agree with me. I mean, chances are that person is using you in some way because them used to using people like that. And them sister, you're smitten by them, and them are do what them generally do. Follow what I'm saying? And the same thing goes for somebody who is stunningly beautiful or stunningly handsome. And the same thing go if you start out with them and you say them skill thing, turn up like that. Right? Follow me reasoning. If you, the looks part and the start out part. Right? If you start out with somebody, woman or man, and that person them move with a confidence will just blow your friggin' mind and them just know what them are doing and them good like that. Good like that. Right? And them no know yet phenomenal saloon. I said, true, Raga. And them good like that. But them come at you so good and whatever. Yeah, and you would be remiss. You would be in a problem if you think somehow you special. If it is when a relationship never develop in a certain way, when you reach a point that, for example, when you start do it, or when you realize how good looking they are and whatever, if them go out hard upon you like that and whatever, and them don't know you like that and whatever, that person is targeting you. It is a high likelihood that person is targeting you for reasons that are very different from how you are smitten with them, or the way you like them. Them are do what them used to. Right? Now, I'm not saying that somebody who is really, really attractive or somebody who is really, really skilled when it comes to sort out that they don't meet people and fall in love. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. But what I find is when that happens, is when them go through something with the other person that is outside of them looks and outside of them sexual skills. If them have experiences, relationship build, them go through this and that, and them can like other areas of the person's personality, like other areas of the person's, like when you go through some other things where we build a bond between that is special and unique and fall in love or whatever. Yeah, that happened. Right? You do have really, really attractive people out there, or people who are really, really good at sort out there, who are just really nice people who appreciate the full spectrum of the person that they're with. Right? And it's not a one-dimensional or just a two-dimensional thing. But when I said to you, again, all I man them listen to me. Let me talk to you man them first. If you're dating a woman, if you get involved with a woman who you know by society standard, she's stunningly pretty, and or if our sort out is just off the chains, right? And she have that confidence that she knows she good like that, and you see how she roll, and she good like that. And or, worse if I both, and she's focusing on you. 9 times out of 10, she have focus to get something from you where she used to. Because she don't know you like that yet. So don't fool yourself and say, oh my God, this stunningly beautiful or stunningly handsome person who probably, who is also amazingly exceptional when it comes to sort out. They love me. I'm special. And you set yourself up. I sit there one from you. And some way, somehow them might use you because they're used to that. Right? And sometimes them have target you. Them used to people that come at them too, and them just know if to play the game and go around you. right? And you have to manage your thing and about to frighten for pretty people and whatever. If you juggle with them, juggle with them. If you have a bill, watch how it bill and thing, but don't fool yourself and thing, and then you have to complain about them take it for granted and whatever. Right? You have some man. Men, listen to me. If you go to boom and you interact with a really pretty woman, except for the dolly them out there, we're not talking about the dolly them, some of them, a really pretty woman. Remember, and then when you meet her, she did pretty. She pretty long time. She pretty from she a picnic. Well, some of them have the ugly duckling syndrome. You know, ugly duckling where them claim to turn out a beautiful swan. Yeah, you have some people never look certain way when them young, and then when them get older, it's just like, wow. And the converse happen. But in general, you know, these people, them pretty long time, right? Them good looking long time. And people are relate to them with a long time. So don't fool yourself. Yeah, just come, right? Bruce, most of these attractive women are interested in your mind. Bruce, where you get that from? Bruce, a joke can't make no. A joke can't make no. Bruce, I must. Oh, hold on. Now, hold on. It's true in that women who are really attractive and they're used to man just a come after them regularly. It's true. There's some truth to it. Let me tell you what it is. Some of these women who are like that, they tend not to necessarily want to be in a relationship with men who are just the run-of-the-mill with them used to. So if them are going to deal with somebody, them usually want something outside of the regular thing, if that makes sense what I say, right? Again, really attractive women, when them end up, you know, after them play the field somewhat and whatever, and them end up once, say them are there with somebody, they tend to be attracted to somebody who have some quality that is beyond their attractiveness, right? Like somebody, you know, like him say mind, you know. You have some really attractive women out there who they're sapiosexuals, right? They are. You have some women who are attracted to men for their intelligence and their intellect. You have some women find that really sexy. Right? You have some women, you're not flirting with them, you know. You're just having an intellectual discussion with them and whatever, and they just find that sexy, you know. For those of you who don't know this. And men are like that too, right? And let me say that again. You have women out there. You not flirt with them, you not bring up no sex thing with them or whatever. You just like, you reason really well and they're just like, whoa, you know. And they find her sexy and then baggy get wet and thing. You have women who are turned on by that shit, yeah. Believe it or not, you have women who are turned on, and you don't necessarily have to be, I mean, you don't want to look like an ogre, but, you know, you don't necessarily have to be, you know, look like, you know, Chris Brown or something or whatever. They just, you know, you have women who are really into that. So he's right in that sense. But in general, pretty woman, in a modern Western society, pretty woman, no, the pretty woman, them nowadays, them not, I'm a pretty woman, I know what I deserve, you know, I'm not gonna go. Yeah, so most pretty woman, them not, you know, I'm interested to you for your mind, like whatever. Most pretty woman is like, no, you're coming for a woman like me, make sure say your pocket stand right, you know? Like, dude, seriously? Me have man I throw money for me left, right, and center. I give me house, car, and whatever every day and whatever. Like, yeah. But if you date a really pretty woman and you know the Cheesecake Factory syndrome we're out there right now. This woman who the man carry her go Cheesecake Factory and she was just like, up, done. And below our standard, you know. And I happen to think Cheesecake Factory is a nice restaurant. But there's a thing out there for those of you who don't know, with this so-called woman and woman who a man carry up on her first date go Cheesecake Factory restaurant and she was just like, no. And I hype about it too and think, all she can go from you, so you know. But again, you know, as me always tell him, nah, knock her. She must know where her standard is. And if she communicate her standard, and me get to hear her communicate it, me give thanks. Because she could have not communicate it to me and then I try go around me and tell me all kind of things and whatever. And then me end up in all kind of foolishness with her and whatever because she did a show me the wrong thing and whatever because she did out for use me or something like that. So when a woman can say, no, my standard is so and so and so, no, I just you for say, okay, me did that with you, no problem. Or just say, oh, I just say you there, you know go Cheesecake Factory, you know go Olive Garden, okay, that's fine. Me and you not juggling. Right? Me and you not juggling because you go date who you want date. Who can carry go, I don't know, what some other big restaurant bigger than whatever, yeah? And ain't nothing wrong with that. But if she's really attractive now, you know, she's like super attractive and you say, let's go to Olive Garden. And she's just like, sure, it's not a problem with her and thing, you know, so she's flexible them way there, you know, and she don't hype them way there or whatever and extra about herself and them look way there, yeah. But you see them on the internet though, the one of them woman, they're like, ooh, you can't come about, ooh, you're gonna take me forget hot dogs. Phenomenal salon, sometimes it's a test. Hell yeah, sometimes it's a test. But them woman, they would just tell you straight and say, no, don't test me. Yeah. But again, you know, you see them woman, when them buck up on a man who them know, so the man money, him have him dirty money and him thing tall up and him thing there. You see, if that man, they tell him, say, come on, go get hot dog, then run, go take your hot dog quick, because them don't know the story about him. Right? But again, I go back to what she was saying, that lady, she keep it on.
Good cocky we want.
Just good cocky, that's it.
Them man them with no money, them have the biggest cocky.
So what can we do as a girl and for start that all?
What we tell the man them with no money? I just treat them nice, give them good food and cook for them and clean and get the good cocky. Just good cocky.
Run it again.
Good cocky we want.
Just good cocky, that's it.
Them man them with no money, them have the biggest cocky.
So what can we do as a girl and for start that all?
What we tell the man them with no money? I just treat them nice, give them good food and cook for them and clean and get the good cocky. Just good cocky.
Well, again, so she just accept her reality and things. She know what she want, what make her happy and whatever. You understand? And based on fear assessment, what going on there, the broke man, them have the good instrument, them and thing. So she just resign herself and say, all right, I've got to work with them man, they know. But there's another part to this, you know, because depending on how fear things set up to, you know, she may have to accept that reality there, you know. So if she if good body is important to her, but based on how fear things set up, you know, good body not gonna necessarily be attracted to her, then based on her assessment and her calculation, she may say, well, based on how me look or based on this and that about me or whatever, good body now gonna come look for me. So, and the good body man them and the broke man them. So me have to take care of the good body broke man them in order to get access to good body. And I was just I keep it real though. But there are women out there who based on how them look and how for them things set up. Good body look for them. You know, so them not necessarily have to mind good body or whatever because for them things set away to where good body seek them out, you know. Verbal expression. Every woman did. I want them to Nikki and Del Marine. And then them say them rather be alone. No, but that's what. But I'm messing with them and thing. But yeah, woman who just say yo, them rather be alone. I have woman who them things set that way there to where I have friends who them take good broke body. That sounds weird, doesn't it? I have friends who routinely take good broke body because, according to them now look no settle down thing and no, we're gonna live happily ever after thing from them man. That one, and according to them, I just I tell you what them tell me, you know. They're like, Raga, you can control those men. They don't, you know, them not get bright and pass them place and whatever. You know, them usually obedient and you run your thing. You know, understand them meds right this, all right? So them like good body and whatever. And them knows a good body. Enough man who, you know, the good body man, them a broke man them. But them, you know, them will say, no, that's a good thing, you know. And them man, they whatever, you know, because you run the thing, you govern your thing, you tell them what to do and whatever. And she said, those men are usually compliant. But that is one side of the thing. Because the other side of the thing is, unfortunately, good body men, good body broke men, they can be very insecure and abusive too. Ladies, if I true, me I tell me. If I lie, me I tell put lie. If I true, me I tell true. You know, upon one level, them confident when it come to sex, you know, but insecure when it come to relationship. True. Damn right. True, bro. True. Alright? Let me explain something to you. Some of the most sexually confident people them out there, you know, if them look good and them sex turn up and whatever, they're the most insecure. Some of them are the most insecure people when it comes to relationship. All the woman them too. The hypest, prettiest people them out there are the most insecure people them when them like somebody. The hypest, handsome man them out there with good sort out is the most insecure and weakest man them when it come to relationship. When I'm in a relationship with somebody, them man they want control woman and thing and them turn idiot when them no know what she day and all them something they and turn stark and whatever. Believe it or not. See, black girl said that's so true. So them have a confidence with sexy, you know, and them give them up. But once she in a relationship with them, man, phenomenal saloon, true Raga, because I have the problem with one right now. Let me tell you, none of them people are them very, they're just suffocating, man, right? Right? Them just hyper insecure. Yeah, see that? Baby Brit, you're right. Once feelings are involved, them turn fool. You know, she put it the right way. That is exactly what me want to say. Right? A lot of pretty people out there and really handsome people out there. them know how them look. And when them know them game is in terms of sort out or whatever. And them flow with a kind of confidence like, yo, I'm used to people who dead over me, so what's the big deal? Right. But once feelings get involved, man, nobody no more insecure than them, man. Nobody no more insecure than them. Like, them turn idiot, them turn fool, or whatever. Women and men. And what I'm getting at, unfortunately, the men, them can be really, at times, some of them, you know, they can be abusive, right? You have enough hot boy out there, you know, them abusive, right? Or they get unattractively weepy, you know? Them, I don't know me emotion. You see, yesterday I talk about Ray and I remember Ray on me bad. I don't make no apology for that, you know, right? Because I tell you all the while, I have some things that me emotional about things, you know? But you have one different type of something with them people here, man. Good looking, pretty people, you know. Start to turn up and whatever, you know. But when when feelings get involved, man, and whatever, they will are them ready for ball, man. Every little thing, them ball and them get this and that and them get melodramatic and ball and why you doing me this and them start gaslight you and all them something there and whatever because they're very insecure, you know. And soon as it, what ya? Me not call the person name, but a lady in the chat says, so true, that's my husband. Oh my, really? So hold on, if your husband stays so, your accusation and so. But you love your husband though, right? I mean, your husband have other qualities when in love, don't? Phenomenal salon. Raga, I'm like a cup of tea. I don't burst gas, I bust head. To the person who write that, the other things where you love about your husband though, don't? Or they big up yourself. Right. So she say yes, you know? You understand. But she just knows her husband have that insecurity there. All right. So I have these, let me tell you something, I have friends, you know, female friends and whatever. And from long time, I always found it interesting. From Jamaica days, you know, you have some pretty woman, you know, and they must say, no, rather ugly man me like. I just have to tell you what some of them say, right? I mean, endorse certain things. But there's that thing where like, I love them black and ugly. Right? There's that. And I'm sure some of you may have, you know, met people like that. Really, really attractive, you know, women, you know. And them say, them love ugly man. And when you ask them why, and them say, no, you run them head and you control them. Because them glad for they with you. Right? Them consider themselves lucky for you, for they with you. And them will go all out for you. Because them can't believe them get you. Right? And they will worship the ground where you walk on. True. What I'm also saying though is, from my observation and from where women tell me, those same people who have that high degree of insecurity from being with somebody who them can't believe so them get and whatever, they can be dangerous. Yeah, them, you know, with the stalking thing and the violence thing and the crazy thing and whatever, they can be dangerous, you know. Women and men. Women and men. See, the sexy Maxi say, yeah, very. Right? So you have to be careful with them, something there too. Right? And I'm telling you this already. There was somebody who worked in media with me in Jamaica, and she's very pretty girl. Very, very pretty girl. Very pretty girl. And she said, no, when I start talking to a guy that I like, I don't turn up, I don't give them my best sort out. And I said, the way you like? She said, no, I'm consciously again. Like she said, if me I give them a back cause me no wine, me just make them do them thing or whatever. And I'm like, why? And she's just like, no, anytime I wine or whatever and give them good, I be a problem I having in my life. It's like them personality change and them transform and them just, it's just like all these tension come up and the toxicity come up and whatever. And I'm like, really? And she's like, yeah, I have other girlfriends who think like that. Phenomenal salute. You see, woman, I say are true. That is true, ladies. Is that true? Is that true? Lady, see that? The lady them I say are true. It's like based upon them experience and thing. The ladies them say, Raga, that kill me with him. Right? Them say, no man, Raga, you can't. Can you imagine? You have to kind of tamper down something and thing. And Nikki say, yes, give 40%. 40. Nikki 40. Nikki, you don't even pass the half mark. And we don't say, Nikki. So Nikki, your thing's supposed to good like that. Boom, man. No, Nikki, I didn't say that. No. Nikki, when you say 40% alone, that keep them right there, so. Yeah. A woman explain them something to me. You never hear a man talk so, you know. You never hear a man talk so, say, man, hold it back, you know, and not give her the fullness side because any him go give her the fullness side. All right, hold on. Any man in our chat, stay so, have you ever experienced that? Where you deliberately not give a woman the full 100 because you know want she come turn stark upon you or whatever. May I come to you the alien, me soon come. If any man in our chat, you experience that, say me. Me never hear a man talk so yet. Me never hear a man talk so yet. So boy, me have to kind of hold. Trumpy say me. G-Stop say me. Like seriously? Me nah say, you just know, give a woman the 100 in a car. Sometimes your feelings there, you don't know that's something there, you know, depending on the chemistry between you and somebody. Some people you may feel for go all out and turn up your thing, and then the next person, it's good, you know, but you just not feel like for go in that zone there, because you just not feel it with them. Me not thought that. So cooker there, me not thought that. Me thought deliberately say no. In general, me have to ratchet back my thing because anytime me give somebody my full 100, them turn idiot and turn stark and them then violent and them get possessive and them something there and whatever. Men, uno do them something there too? Daniel says she want 100 or nothing at all. Daniel, I know what you want or what you get. I want me to you. Then if you are juggle with somebody and him not give you the 100 and thing, you don't know. What you get, you may think of the 100 that Chumpy and G-Stop say, yeah. Right? Well, more credit to you, no. My thing must not good like I've never had to think that to say, yo, me not get 100 because she got turned stark and whatever. I mean, me no good like, you know, big up on yourself, G-Stop and Trumpy, on the thing up there like that. For anything up there like that. A woman me here say that. Right? So I want me to tell you, Raga, sometimes you can't even give a man the fullness side, man. You want him come kill you. Women say shit like that. Like, them have to ratchet back them thing and careful who them get the full 100, you know, them good and them skilled and them thing there because them say man get it good and want, you know. Right? Yo, it's a real thing when you hear a man, you know. Well, I'm sure it happened elsewhere, but we just talk about Jamaica because at Jamaica, you know. when you hear a woman say raga, when you hear a man say, yo, my girl, they say that front you're good, you know, you give it up woman, I'm gonna kill you and that boy, you know, me kill it tomorrow, you know, but you know, give him a front, you know, whatever. Yo, women say men are serious with that shit. Iliad, what go on?
Nah, no close raga.
I want me to your throat. I want it in your throat.
Me no know what, not never in them. Me just did I eat something.
Where you did I eat?
Raga,
Where you did I eat? Hold on, where you did I eat?
one dry bun.
Alien,
Hmm?
why did you call it? You did a choke for one dry bulla, you know?
Bula, yeah.
I know you choke for one dry bone.
Mm-hmm.
You,
I just want little piece and I want whole a bun. From when me a munch panny and put it down. Munch panny like rat.
no, suppose me tell you something like do that. They look, our look round spice bun them. I like eat them by themselves, you know, without butter, without cheese, without nothing. Just eat them by themselves.
Yeah, we have some munch pan it.
You know what I like too? Like when bread just done bake.
Mm-hmm.
I do a bread, even though we don't really get that up here. So, but me used to love just eat hot hardware bread by itself,
You know-
nothing else.
You know what run the place now, one named grotto bread. You're supposed to know it. Me never know it when me a pitney, but them say it in long time.
No man, grotto bread, they about long time.
And what do you me know about grotto bread? About 2 years now. God knows.
Are you serious?
True.
But
All the
grotto
bread
bread have
within-
come on something in Jamaica for a long time.
Me never know it. Me never know it. Me know why near mongoose bread.
Mongoose bread, yeah?
Yeah, and the regular hardware bread.
But mongoose bread and grotto bread kind of similar, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, mongoose bread and grotto bread kind of similar. Oh, Shanae, it have nothing to do with real mongoose, yeah?
Put her in her place first.
No, I don't put her in her place. Shanae love to know, he learn about Jamaican
Me
stuff.
know and say she don't know this and she don't know.
Yeah.
She's a Jamaican.
Yes, Shanae is Jamaican, but I don't know if she was born up here.
Okay.
But mongoose bread, it have an oval thing and pointed, and it's a shape, because mongoose is like that. Them head little bit and then them body come up and come over. So it's from the shape. Okay.
Yeah.
So Shanae was born in Jamaica, yeah. But go on talk.
Raga, me I go talk about last night thing, but before me reach a last night thing, you remember Tuesday night when me up in the box and the whole heap of phone call.
Yeah.
Raga, from you take me down all now I don't get one phone call.
Yeah. No, man, I lie. That I can't true. That I can't.
God, you know me not tell you no lie, me rather tell anybody else lie like a chumpy.
You rather tell Chumpy lie, no?
Yes, but me not.
You know, tell your brother lie. You know, tell your brother lie.
Chumpy, I wanna my brother, but me rather tell him lie than you. Cause you will pick it up better than Chumpy. You will not lie.
Me work with them.
Raga, no. I don't get no phone call from you take me down. Till today, Thursday, Independence Day. Happy Independence to all the Jamaican them.
All right. But explain why you think that is. Give it that them that ended up blow up your phone.
Raga,
So
me
I think.
feel say him buck up on you because him is not a regular and me make him know about you. So maybe him dey on TikTok and I score through because enough people are so them buck up on you, you know. And buck up on you and hear me in the box and decide to disturb me.
Oh. So from you come down now, him said, no, I'm not have to call now. Again.
Yes.
So you think him that try stop you then?
Yes, Raga. So not disturb him, I disturb my peace with you.
Can you did that talk about him?
Yes.
Oh.
No man had the calling make me start talk about him.
Oh, right. So they just want to provoke you then.
Yes. All right, now
Yeah.
you know about clinic or health center.
Yeah, man.
All right, yesterday was my appointed date.
Mm-hmm.
So when me go out there, me say a whole heap of baby mother did out there, pregnant mother.
Mm-hmm.
But me sit down with the security, cause me know the security from Roots FM days. Back in the days, we are radio friend.
Mm-hmm.
And then give me a chair and me and him sit down and a reason.
Yeah.
So the people them, the rest of people them underneath one tent. And you know, hear one of the pregnant mother them ball out and say,
What?
me no want him for ban Leo. I nearly dropped down here me where Raga there. As I got nearly dropped down. I know me no say nothing to the security. I know me no said nothing to the security. More me said to myself, say, oh, where Raga the Raga want hear this. And what she know about Leo?
Christina, back up, Christina. All I want the Leo people, no, don't come for me. Don't come for me. You see, the woman says she don't want the picnic band Leo.
Yes.
Right?
And it look like she know it's a boy, baby, or whatever. I don't know, but you know some people then chat but then call her girl him.
Right. So, yeah.
Me no want him ban Leo.
Yeah, man.
See how we are so.
Yeah, Leo woman, them, Leo, well, a Leo woman me know about them. I don't know about Leo, man.
That come out her mouth, so.
Sexy Maxis are the worst set of man them to see that. I don't know about Leo man, but Sexy Maxis are the worst set of man them, Leo man them. I can't tell it's a Leo woman, I have worst set of woman them. Well, me not. No, ironically though, you know, it's not the worst set of woman me interact with. But in terms of problem and just being toxic, and let me show you a thing. Ilian, let me tell you my problem with Leo woman. Them, no? Ilian, let me teach you something, right? Them have a thing out there when them refer to as alpha male, right? So an alpha male is based on in wolves, you know wolves, right? The alpha male are the leader of the pack.
Yeah.
And the alpha male defend the whole pack. And the alpha male, wolves are interesting, you know. If you see a pack of wolf a walk, Ilian, they what how it go now? They, like you just said, the second baddest one them they are the front.
Yeah.
With the elder wolves the elder one them the right at the behind the second baddest one them.
Yeah.
And then the kids them in a mingle and thing. Them have an order where wolves the wolf them set it up. And then some of the bad one them know them might bring up the flank. And the leader of the pack, Alien, always a walk alone behind the wall of them. And if any drama come up and whatever, the leader of the pack walk at the back because him can't see everything. Him can't see the entire family. And if anything go on, him might run go up there, go protect, and him for the front and center. So at this the whole thing about alpha male come from. So you find, say now, but the way modern society define alpha male is generally also a bad boy. Right? But alpha male are the one who are going to get access to the money, you know. Alpha male find money anyway there, you know. Anyway, they them a find it, right? Alpha male, the way of society define out them a hustler, them just know whatever. All when crab know in a hole, them find crab out there. You understand what I'm saying? And them a bad boy too. Them will defend you and whatever, so people are in them something, right? But them tend to be domineering too. Right? Them tend to be domineering and very controlling and them something. Me no want to be controlling and them thing. So you find somebody like me, you know, me know this alpha male thing where everybody, but you know, the boy where them love to say him a the king of the manosphere. You ever hear about one boy? What boy name when him and him brother then lock them up what they again? Cause them a rape off a little girl. And what them name again? Somebody soon post them name in there. The two boy them man where the Tate brothers them, see? Like you probably don't know about them. All right. But they are considered alpha male. Enough woman like them man, you know.
Yeah.
Enough man rate them and me not care for that. Right? Them have another term out there now what they call sigma. These are Greek terms, right, Ilian? And the sigma, based on what them describe as sigma, I am more a sigma man. Because I me define who means and whatever. You understand? All right. You see the alpha male man them now? Leo woman them, we appreciate the alpha male man them, you know.
Yeah.
Because a Leo woman, you know, she go test you and go on like she want to run your ass head and all them something there, you know, want to dominate you. I saw them tan, you know, I saw the Leo woman them tan. Me not care. Them can go on like a lie, me and tell I saw them stay, them want to dominate you and test you and whatever and thing, and you in a relationship with them always a test you. Enough woman test you at the beginning, you know. Leo woman always a test you right through your relationship. See when Christina come out the boss, so... Right? Me no want there with no woman who always a test me right through and whatever this and that. But because them get off on it, you know, alien. It turn them on. Right? You find see all them woman, you know, like Pampute, you know, my friend, you know, who says she love for F and fight. Right?
Yeah.
You have some woman love, you know, them love that constant tension. Me don't want that from no woman. Me love peace. Me love me can sit on peace. Me love a woman me and her there, and we all don't even talk. I'm there around her. Me just feel nice and secure and balanced and shit. Cause she me in her presence. You know what I say? Me know a woman, me like a woman who do like feminine and thing, but still strong and you know them look weird and whatever, but allow me to be a man. Right? Don't come challenge me all the while and thing, right? Allow me to be a man. Me don't want a woman that come challenge me all the while and whatever. Me love a woman who can reason. Me and I can reason. Me don't want a woman come with attitude with me all the while and want to come like you want to come beat me off. And then me have to prove myself all the while for say, no, me not going to make you beat me off and whatever you know, and thing. Then for go man, me don't want a woman there. You understand? Leo woman, them a alpha male, them for they with. Because they love drama. Right? Them love drama. You hear what I say, Alien? That's why the woman I say she don't want to turn Leo. Leo woman, them always in a drama and tension, you know. Right? So every Leo woman me deal with and thing, and after some time I have to say, come sit down there a little bit. Sit down there. Why you deal with stuff this way all the time? Like, why you can't approach a thing intelligently and calmly? Yeah, so if a difference is come up and thing and whatever. Why you acting like a bitch? Okay, whatever, man. But again, you know, here's the thing now. Weird thing doing in Indian. You see, if a Leo woman love you though, she will beat off every mama ass out the field.
Yes.
Yeah, man, they will beat anybody out the field, man. They will beat anybody out the field. And then you see Leo woman, you see anytime you say, them say they're ready. Anywhere, anytime, anyhow. Right? Leo woman, man, them will do it anyway. Them will take a deer and do it anyway. Gangster anyway. Them have that something about them, you know? Yeah, but them all want to manage you too, you know. A Leo woman, we all want only and go on like she want to come sit down in your face and all them something there, you know. How are you, boy?
You say it.
No, man, them have that thing, them, man. Them will spring off. You have to dip on your guard, man. Them will come at you with something and like spring on a little thing on you and whatever, you understand? And you have to check her, man. I will say, where you do? We ain't going so far. Bill. Yeah. You know, Leo, man, and then terrible name here, man. Me can't manage them. Me can't manage the Leo, man. But them good for have fun with, do and roll with, like, you know. Other one, you know. But the day with thing. You see Nikki Couture, the big up all Leo. I know say Nikki say beat man, even the baddest man. You hear she give her mix up them, don't? Yeah, I saw the Leo woman. Me and Nikki Couture couldn't there. But if when we did in the street, we could have juggle and do so and thing and, you know, live some big life and whatever this and that. Because me and her couldn't there because she could have want to come beat my ass. And no woman nah beat me. No woman nah beat me around here.
Embarrass you in front of your brethren them.
Well, yeah, Leo woman will do that, you know. If you get her on her wrong side. But I see a woman do a whole way. Yeah, well, I don't know. I don't know. No, not all Leo women are the same. We're just generalizing here through the end. We're just generalizing.
Yeah.
But the woman says she don't want a Leo woman. Leo baby, she don't want the baby turn Leo.
Yeah, that she said. Me no want him ban Leo.
Leo woman, them love bad boy, yeah, man. They love gangster bad boy. They can't go keep it. Me's not a gangster bad boy. I'm a goody two shoes. I'm a darling little munchkin. Don't it, Ilian? Talk up, don't it?
Yeah.
Ilian, say it with conviction. The Raga is a darling, sweet little munchkin, don't?
Raga is a darling baby.
Oh, that's right. Oh, stop. You shouldn't have. Come on.
I'm not joking.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, cool.
I'm not hypocrite thing me attack.
Alien, me never ever want to be bad boy.
No, man.
I mean, we lead, but me no want, you know, me no want for them version of leadership too and whatever. You understand?
Yeah.
Alien, you know, so when me there road and thing, me no like enough of myself, believe it or not.
I know.
No, me no like, you know, no spotlight and me no like that something, you know. No, you know. But drop me up on a stage, I own that shit. But me I say otherwise, you know, Leo woman them, they love attention.
Why you spin round with ice?
Iced tea.
Okay, me love iced tea.
Listen to me. When we did young, you couldn't get me drink this, you know. I never understand it, you know. I thought it was the most insipid thing that there is. Iced tea. It's like when we grew up tea hot, you drink hot tea. You don't drink no cold tea. We never ever drink cold tea when we grew up. When we come a friend, it was just the weirdest thing. And you know what happened up here, Alien? A lot of them drink iced tea and it not sweetened. Like iced tea, unsweetened iced tea. It's like that's like a thing up here. Like, but me love iced tea, you know, sweetened iced tea. You know?
Okay. Anyway, Raga, this story what you bring last night.
Yeah.
When may I listen to this? When may I listen to it? And the girl, she talk up her mouth. Me said to myself, say, me again a three, what you call it, three scenario. So?
Yeah.
Alright, when she talk up her mouth and now come out of the front, me said to myself, say,
Who you attack and talk off her mouth and not come at the front? Who that?
the lady, the friend, the co-worker. The car, the story.
Oh yes. With the co-worker tell the man why he says she can't ride in at the front seat. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when me I listen to the story, me say I straight in your lap, me I sit down.
You the wife that go sit down in her lap, no?
Yes, straight in her lap we are drive. Me not take no bus and them something there.
Then you go sit down in her lap, she not go box in your head side, Alien. Or you gonna work out there.
Well, the bad one I go tell this, so you know, right? This so.
Right, that's the bad one.
Right, that's so the bad.
The bad one I go tell
better than me, and me better than her. Because if she better than me, she go push me out her lap.
Right.
And if me better than her, it's either she have to go get up or something, me no know. But anyway, first.
Hold on. But what if it was millionaire Greenland? You'd still go sit down in her lap?
Yeah. And the bad one, why you have to choose her? You say you stay, you say you make problem in our independence night. No.
Me not make no problem. It's just that
no,
no, it's a little
why
guess.
you making problem with Zion Train?
Me call Zion Train name. Me never call Zion Train name a while
When
ago.
you reach a Greenland a Zion Train, you say?
No, but me never call Zion Train name. Me say if I did millionaire Greenland, you'd still go sit down
I
in our lap and
know you never call him name, but from you call Greenland,
and they say
a
there.
Zion Train
Zion
you reach.
okay.
You reach. You
Uh,
can't manage.
God. uh,
All right, now. Me a go work with me and Greenland and Zion Train. Say Greenland are the wife now. And me a the co-worker.
yeah.
She never have to take it so serious, Raga. Because, all right, me first, for the first day, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Me na the front seat. She could have just slide in her back seat and nobody pay that no mind for the first day.
And that the husband I say.
Just see the first day, you know, because me done in the front seat already. So just slide round at the back seat and
Alien.
it's just a car and it's
Alien.
just a seat.
Elaine,
Yeah.
let me paint back the picture to you and tell me if you still think the same way, right?
Yeah.
Remember, you know, the husband and the wife work near to each other.
Yes.
The husband always pick up him wife when him leave work, and she always sit down in at the front seat. So, and then now, out of the blue, the husband turn up with one woman in at the front seat, never say nothing to the wife. So when the wife a come out, she a come out for a regular seat.
Mm-hmm.
You think it is unreasonable for the wife say, wait, what's this? Like, okay, this is my seat. You think that is unreasonable for she to say that?
Raga is not a chair. It's not a chair where you own the seat. You don't own the seat, Raga. At the one little time, you know, she can see somebody in the seat, right? Just pick up the person today. I fear seat all the while. But the husband have somebody in the seat, the front seat today.
Mm-hmm.
So no, if she just slide in her back seat.
I don't disagree
Just
with that, you know.
today. Just
If we because me not disagree with that, you know, Eileen. Me not disagree with what you're saying. If she just if I might see my woman and she go in her back seat, I'm good. Cause me don't say already, you know. From me I give the woman a ride, you know. Me I tell her I say, yeah, me can give her a ride. But me go pick up my wife. Me go pick up my woman. So if you sit down in her front seat, she go sit down. Me I tell her, me I set it. Right? And me, you know, sometimes woman say, I go keep it 100. Most women don't want them man do certain thing, you know, right? They don't want them man do whatever, right? Most women don't want that. They them don't want that at all. But even though most women now come out with it, you know, they may say, no, we don't want that, but don't make certain things come in on my face. If you're going to do it, don't make, out of respect, if you really rate me like that, now make certain things come in on me. And what them I say is, govern your thing. Set your thing in a way where no woman out there going to come disrespect me. Me and you know about that something then when woman there with man at Jamaica and them know say, the man have whatever, and you hear the woman them proudly say, one thing with a man there, you know, me have to rate that man there when him love, because him love me, you know, because anytime me and him go out, you know, no girl to my thing I come bright up themselves, you know, whatever, ray. You know why that is? A man a govern him thing in a way where them know say them can't come do that.
Yeah.
You follow what me I say? She now end up now, she want a man out there with that woman? No. But she end up in a way where, yeah, me feel more secure, you know. Me feel safer with a man, yeah. Because whatever I do out there, I balance the thing now when them don't come bright up themselves for me. So me I say the man have to be proactive in that way there. If you really rate your woman and really rate your wife that way there and think, yeah, set it. because the woman there, the co-worker would never ever behave. Women in general don't behave like that. Unless something, the only something happen like him and the woman did they chat about him wife and thing and she arena and after him not rate him wife. Or something. Anytime you see woman do that 9 times out of 10, or some signal when they get from the man. Or you have a small percentage of bad girl who don't care. Them don't care about the man. Them will just come and say, I want your man. And we war you right, war a woman right there, so forget the man or whatever. You have them, but they're them in the minority. You understand what I say? So if she used to eat riding at the front seat, worse if it's an attractive woman, because most women who ride in the front seat with them husband and thing, if the husband roll up with one old woman at the front seat and say a co-worker or one little picnic or one young, them not have a problem with that. You don't think it is reasonable for she come up and she see one young, sexy, attractive co-worker in her seat and be like, and right there, so kind of get another zone, they're like, no, me see what my husband I go do because I want to see them. I don't know who that woman is, who she. You know think it is, yeah?
All I'm saying, it's first day, number 1 day. Me uno have a problem with the front seat for the first day. Me uno go like a hooligan and make a big deal out of it for the first day. That is first day. She and him leaving workplace and she end up going at the front seat. What if the man never explain everything to him and she just pull door going at the front seat? Him come pick me up now. Me not go wife in the front seat, Raga. Me just go slide in at the back seat. Tomorrow evening now, Raga. And the same thing she have to go take her ass out of her front seat tomorrow evening.
Why I don't get it though. Why you not gonna have no problem the first day, but you gonna have a problem with it the second day?
Raga, why? Because me realize that she want be what you call it now?
Front seat ratings, tete. Permanent.
Even that, but permanent. She want itch up her front seat because no, Raga, if Greenland are the wife, and me are the co-worker, and she give me a chance. She not make no big deal out of it for first year. She make me go and bill in her front seat and she slide round her back. Me if it ever use my common sense now when I say she a wife, as me and the man a leave work, Raga. Me fi just bust the back door and go sit down round her back. Because me realize him I go pick up him wife. Me say me never know upon first day and maybe him never tell me. Upon first day. So me now if use my head and say pick up him wife at evening time. Ilian slide round her back. Me would use my common sense and start go round her back.
Right.
Before it reach. Yes, sir.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
But if now me, as what you say, me be the man, I tell me something about Greenland at work and them something there. Me feel say, him not respect him wife and them something. So me if he take it up on my head now. Cause me and him no must there in a Raga.
Right.
But through me I hear things the way him a be.
True him there every day and I tell you said Greenland a buffana every night when she came say she cook dinner beer mackerel and sardine she bring and all them something there,
Yes,
and
me
them
a
a
go take
complain
it up
about
on
it.
my head now. I go on like me one car front.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Anything me get me fi taking me. Greenland would be an idiot fi go take bus.
But wife she say, boy, you know, me avoid this thing because any I'm go through with this thing, I'm gonna beat that
Avoid
girl
what?
and beat the two of them.
Me
Me just go take the
deserve
book.
to get a slap in my mouth.
Oh, okay. That are the co-worker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Because me in that position, me a sit down in a lap, Raga.
Well, you sit down face or you sit down with your back to her or your face her.
With my back, just like how she sit down to the windscreen, me a going a fear lap and
No,
face.
well, that wouldn't wise still. You can't turn your back to somebody in a them position there, and you're just so close to them and thing and whatever. You want to, no, man, you're mad, man. You can't turn your back to somebody this, man, and a war go on and you can't turn your back to them.
But I saw you sit down in a people lap, Raga.
But no, but you go turn your back to her.
Well,
Then she reach over and grab you in your front. No, you manage.
why she be grabbing on my front?
Oh, you mean they not sit up on that and she reach over and grab you in your front. And start murder your own there and all these things and whatever, man.
But she bright though, Raga talk about it's not fear, care, and only the man alone can tell her say.
Yeah.
Them time that she a get a elbow, you know?
Yeah, because what I'm saying, implicit in that statement, though, you know, right there, so even right, that's why I say it look like something that going between the husband and the wife, because yes, if I'm a woman say, uncle the man can tell me, sir, and whatever, this and that is her way of saying, me know it not come out that way there, but that is her way of saying, me have more ratings with the man than even you, the wife. Even though it not come out that way there. So right there, so even if the man did dip on the level where I must say, it's just I see it. You see the minute a woman, you and your woman there with someone, a woman go say, it's only him can't say so and so. You can't say nothing to me. That is woman's way of saying, you no count, but him count me, right? And if the man now did upon a level where it wasn't that big a deal for him, once a man hear a woman say that, and it a come out like she a big him up, but she not big him up. She a diss that woman there straight, like you don't have no chat. It's only him can say it to me, and he did not say it to me, so I now move.
Yeah.
You understand? So once a woman say that you as a man, even if you never depend on that level, you know, right away you're going to say, no, all right, me I'd say it now. Come out I see it. Come, make you sit down. You understand what I say? If that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, man, Raga, and right now, although you tell a story and me listen to story, me just no feel say them there, you know. Me no feel say them there, me no feel say them a date, me no feel say...
Well, I know me tell the story of the lawyer who come in. Yeah.
You understand
yeah,
what
me
me
just
mean.
play it. Yeah.
Me no feel say them there, no. Me just feel say... The man a chatting wife with the woman. You know, as a co-worker, you sit down and you discuss certain things what go on in your yard, and them something that you might not do this. And you understand what me I say, Raga? Me no feel say them there. And through the man, tell her everything what go on, she feels that she fit take it up on her head and behave so. But I not so it go.
Yeah, but
Me
you
no
know,
feel say them there.
well, them probably not necessarily have to do nothing now, whatever, but me no know. Me
not quick to say people there because you know me not like when people judge me. But as something the man I tell the woman about the wife make sure go on so.
make sure I hype them way there and thing and I forward them way. What not well, yeah, in general, but not necessarily because you have some, you know. Again, it can't just be signal with the man, you know, if the man never say nothing, you know. I said them roll up on thing and then the wife come and whatever, and in a fear mind, I'm asking for the ride and him give me the ride, I'm come at the front, him never say nothing to me. But him know say him a pick up him wife, so well probably the wife is inconsequential that way, you know? Yeah, you have me just say you have some woman who will make them assumption then.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, some woman them just they're provocateurs, right? Them just you have woman who love drama, you know.
Me know.
Yeah. Right?
Me know.
She certified in the community chat, you know. All if I certified that time, whatever, certified I beat that girl in, man. Yeah, man. Certified I beat her out her nastiness, you know. Well on. CBS where you say Raga clear the message. Which message? Yeah, you did say something else, do it, Alien.
My long time. Them time me never live with my son father, and you know me go in a fin community go spend the weekend, so you know say Sunday morning him a carry me part of the way, and because Monday morning work. And he did have one piece of old car. Long time me I tell you, no Chris car, but he have one piece of car. Raga.
Wait, the 1 second. I think TikTok I show them something with me now say. Oh, consuming substances featuring this live could harm your health. TikTok, I am drinking iced tea. Algorithm, I am drinking iced tea. TikTok, I am drinking iced tea. Iced tea will not harm anybody's health. Algorithm, apologize to me. TikTok, no, me see it. At least CBS I tell me, TikTok full of it, and I people them who drink on the show and all them. But even though there are times when I drink Baileys, but iced tea me I drink. CBS, I can't clear it, you know. You see, CBS I tell me to clear the notification. It's just there, I can't clear it. And that me telling the people, I just can't take them thing there with TikTok. TikTok, it's really annoying. You harass people when they're doing their lives. People, I'm doing this, we got the algorithm pick it up. I read one thing and them say, yeah, the algorithm pick up. When you send message to it, the algorithm pick it up, you know. So TikTok, you can be really harassing, you know, when people are doing their lives, and it's an uncomfortable distraction, and you need to stop it. All right, go on, talk, Ilian.
So the Sunday morning now, him drop me a stone hill.
Yeah.
I'm live. You ever hear about content?
Yeah. Well, you have a whole heap of content you have a content almost in every parish, you know.
Okay.
But go on, talk.
Like, all right. Anyway, and early morning, you know, before 6 o'clock. So you know, so by the time I reach a stone hill, maybe with 6 o'clock, you get early morning right we reach back up on the hill and see, and him pick up this girl. You can see say she look like Christian, you know, and she said morning and them something there. And Raga, one time after that, him take sick and in the upper UC. You know? And when me go up at the hospital the Sunday, when me a walk, like, you know, upper UC set up, I walk I corridor, we go up and ward and something. Me see him brother and the same girl. The brother a soldier, and me see him brother and the same girl. So me I say, maybe the brother woman, you know, because the brother woman, the brother was it too, you know, so me I say, the brother woman anywhere. The brother stop and say, him de, like him would have saying the pan ward 4 or whatever. Me no remember the word, Raga, but she turned back and said, you're going to look for Raga? Come let me take you to Raga, because you know me not go call the name. And she carry me go up on the ward where him there. And me see she whisper something in her ears. She whisper in her ears. So me still I say, I the brother woman, you understand me? Because me no get no vibes, she say, I feel him, woman, on the first day.
Right.
Anyway, Raga, that's the first day, Sunday. All right. Monday when me go, she dead there. So me I say, no, man. So me ask him if him man are there. Him say, him call me girl. He say, girl, me sick. Anybody no can come look for me and this and that and that. Tuesday when me go Raga, she dead there. Wednesday me go, she dead there. Thursday when me go, me no see him pan the ward. So me ask one nurse which part him there. So she said, maybe him gone to the bathroom. So me sit down pan water wait pan him, Raga. Raga, when me look at the two of them a come out of the bathroom.
Out of the bathroom?
Watch ya. It look like you know hear what me I say. Out of the bathroom and me there me bringle, you know. Bringle, you see. When Ashia go through the door, me just run down the staircase and I grab her, you see. Raga.
When she a go through which door?
She come off a ward.
Yeah.
Gone through that swinging door there.
Yeah.
So me
The
go
revolving
back her
door.
up.
Yeah, right.
Yes, me go back her up downstairs.
Yeah.
Me grab her and me I tell her say a two water fi hold me.
What you do? When you grab her, what you do?
No start, man, and she a ball out and sing, cause them stushy, you know. She stush.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And water hold me and wanna ticklish me to try come hold her in her
Well, but you did that beat her, or you just drape her?
Me a beat her, Raga, but me hold and pan her. One and hold and pan her, and one and a deal with her.
Yeah, deal with her case, yeah.
When the water then take me off her and she run off and call him and me just go to Papine and go take a bus and call him phone and say, pussy me just done your girl. Thank God.
Well, you sure say you're Gemini?
Me tell you, no, me and I really war boat, you know, Raga, but you see, me jealous. Me jealous
Oh,
over
really?
me. Yeah, me jealous. Me and you even a friend. If even me and your friend, we know the girlfriend. Friend like me and Dr. Mac a friend. And me and Kay a friend. And me sister like somebody else want take with my friend. Me jealous.
Oh, just your friend, you're jealous. Okay.
Yeah. So me mean.
Okay.
Me jealous over my man. Worse if me a wash, cook and clean. I me love my man. Me jealous. Yeah.
So you think that she did deserve a beating?
Yes, man. And worse, she knows
she knows say you and him there because from him the pick up whatever. She know the thing. And then I talk up to you and I say me will come. Yeah, your baby mother, you turn up there. And she carry you down there and say, no, me carry down there more. Okay.
Yes.
So you think she bright for you all chat up to you and come there every day and with your man and then in a bathroom and send and sort out pan him and thing and whatever. Your baby father body and she say you come there every day and then she come there every day too. She bright.
Before me.
You remember her name? She didn't name Tambourine?
No. Okay. Anna Tambourine.
Okay.
Anna Tambourine, she did name Karen, dirty Karen.
You see, the Karen name, you know, me I tell you, see them women there with them names start with K, like Karen and Keisha. You see, Keisha, all Keisha problem. All Keisha them a problem. The whole of the Keisha them a problem. The whole of the Keisha them a problem.
You know, see, say Keisha take over all of the music, sitting them and all of the this and all of the that.
What you mean?
Keisha.
What you mean? What you mean?
No, like when the man a talk about him baby mother one named Keisha.
Yeah.
In a music and them something that everything Keisha name call up, you know.
Keisha them a bad girl them man a problem them man. The Keisha them a problem.
Karen, she didn't name me love.
Yeah. Yeah. Karen.
Dirty Karen.
Karen
Yeah.
them man. Them yeah. The Karen them.
Mr. What grieve me to Raga, me did want to drape her up where she know say, and then she a come carry me for wall. Oh, she brave so.
Yeah, no, she bright. No, she bright. No, she bright. Cause she remember, remember say she don't get pick up long time, right? When you did in her car, so she know the 100 and things. So she
Yes.
obviously
yes.
feel comfortable as I can't do run what she gonna do or whatever. But you say she kind of stushy and bossy and thing.
Yes.
Then him allow it for happen then. Him allow it for happen. Him obviously that tell her something where make she feel cool or do that. Yeah, you understand?
Yeah, when me say you and I there, girl, now sick, me sick people, must anybody must can come look for me, and this and that, and one bag of sin. Me say, okay. Every day me go and watch she there. No, sir.
It's a long
And
time
I
she
just
give to him in
feel
the bathroom
better.
when you're not there,
Yeah,
Yeah.
but me just in time to go that day there and then he miss. That's me think of discharging, get discharged,
Somebody in the chat said, why are you blaming the lady? Blame your man.
Me can't beat him. Me a beat.
And you can't beat him, you beat who you can beat, though.
Yes.
But to the person who said that, why are you blaming your lady, blaming your man? She made a point, though, because respectfully, remember, Elaine say, she knows that Elaine and the baby mother said them there,
Yeah.
right? And him pick her up one time and she come in at the car,
Exactly.
right? She don't know Elaine come there, the Sunday, and she bright enough come to Elaine and say, okay, no, we come let me carry you to him one and whatever. Adora, with all due respect, that is a disrespect.
Of course,
That
she not
is a
even make
disrespect.
the brother do it, and she and the brother go where them a go where,
Yeah, that is a
And me
disrespect.
just a come back.
Right.
Me a come. I would never do that.
When you go to your way, you text somebody baby father who you know them dead, them still there. And you didn't care with them and whatever and thing like that. Even though him a govern him things certain way and tell you, say, yo, Bill, when you bright enough, you can voluntarily talk up to the woman and I say, me bring it to your man. Then I cover and a clown out the man. Me not encourage the badness. Me not say me agree, No, Adora, yes, but you still have to blame the man. The man need to get the beating. No, I agree with you with the woman them who immediately award the other woman when the man set it. I agree with you. But one thing with Elaine, Elaine, I gotta keep it 100 with you.
But
Right?
rather,
Well,
it
well,
never
no, I will-
close up with her.
And what Elaine say, Elaine say, me can't beat you, me can't beat she. And Elaine wait till she go downstairs, Elaine whap her up and then go hold the boss. And what Elaine tell him, me just beat your girl. So Elaine I make him know up front, say,
Yeah.
yeah. And again, me not support the violence or whatever. Me just say, you seem to think Elaine excuse him. Me just said, I say, Elaine not excuse him, but Elaine, me just hear you. I said something a while ago. Yeah, say, what you say him never upfront with her? What you mean, what?
Me mean say me never see like him a pose up with her or them something there. I do the hospital thing make me have a clue because even the first day when him pick her up, me no know. Me think it's just a random. You understand? You see some because remember, she live in a community,
Mm-hmm.
So me never have that in a head. So then there, and I drive past her, and him stop and give her a drive. So even there, so me no have no clue, say, them a go on with themselves.
All right, hold on. To the man them in a chat. If you have a born woman and you drive with your baby mother and the case with in it, and you see a born woman on the road, you a stop and pick up your born woman? Well, I want to see what them say. All I man them in a chat. If you have a born woman and you drive with your baby mother or your wife or whoever, and you see a born woman, you a stop and pick up your born woman and bring her in the car with your woman? Killer Miller said no. Let me see what the man them said. Naval said no. Mark Star said no. Everton said no. G-Stop said no. Bad J said no. Alien, me ain't pick her up. You know? She could have cost him
Lie
some
them
food.
a tell. Listen, why me say lie them a tell us, Raga? Me live a St. Andrew, you see?
Yeah.
And him live a Clarendon.
Yeah.
And the Bona woman live a Clarendon too. Me no have no clue what one. Me no know nobody what they are Clarendon. You understand what me I say?
Yeah.
Him a go drop me at my bus stop. He come back a St. Andrew and he see a random woman. Me no know say woman, you know. But only him and the woman know say. You understand what me I say, Raga?
No, Alien, you can't say a lie them a tell her. I could teach you the thing. You
Them
know.
a pick her up.
No, Alien.
Because them can't say even them cousin or them
Alien.
auntie.
Alien. You see that cousin and auntie something there?
Yeah.
Is when you accidentally buck up on something. Real player now pick up. Listen to me, man. Real player now pick her up if I see her the born woman. Pick up what? Real player now. Remember, you know, she had a born woman, you know, so when you rally back and thing, you know, you gotta tell her, say, if she see your car and whatever, well, me know some people probably know, wouldn't. And by the way, I'm an old man now. I just talk about what I do back in the day, okay?
Yes.
Right? So what I say is, no, if you govern your thing, and you marshal your thing and whatever, you know, and you drive past her, and she said, but me see you drive past her, again, you know, woman always will test you. Whatever you drive past me with your woman, yeah, and what? So you couldn't pick me up. Pick up what? Where you want me pick you up for? Right? You don't know something and there where the way you want me pick you up for just increase the probability. Say if something happen now and whatever, she can find out about you right now. She said, but I never see that in the car, whatever. You not look out for me. You not look out for me. If you not look out for me, you not look out for we. A problem you want to come when me start flipping back about Panara or whatever. You understand what I say?
Yeah, me understand, man.
No, man. So the man them who say them not pick her up. They not pick her. Let me tell you something, Alien.
Why me say that? Me no cut to Raga. Why me say that, you know, it 12 week no in ICM parish, you know. You see, if we did in ICM parish now, me would have say what them a say.
I understand
But
what you are
me
saying,
the
Alien,
way
but me
a
I tell you, say,
Kingston.
real, you see that's something that what woman do, I want to do it so good, where, you know, I take two man and the two man, them, whatever.
Be smarter now.
No, I totally agree. Me totally agree. Me tell you about my friend when me did have a Jamaica, you know. A 4-man buck up at this one time before, what it name there, before Juicy Beef, New Kingston, you know, it did name Jamrock Restaurant, you know. A 4-man she had take on the 4 of them buck up down there, you know. And each one of the man thinks say, them are the real man and
Them
the
are
other
the
3 are
real
idiot, you know.
man.
You understand? As such you govern for your thing, you know. All right, when me I tell you, Alien, real player and make them woman mix. Them no want the hype there. Real player now bring the woman and see woman now left her out there and whatever. The man them who do that, I can't tell you some man who do that, but them a bad man. You know that. You have them ghetto man there, whatever, you know. Them all have them baby mother and see them other woman and pick her up. And if the baby mother go say, oh, wait, if that girl and she come in at the car with me or whatever, the bad man must say, hey, girl, move from here, someone and go sit down and come to me with no excitement. Because them a bad man, right?
Yeah.
But me say, outside of that, man who know the game and whatever, them not in the hype, they feel good for us. Yo, me have the two of them in the car and whatever. You know, in that, you keep them separate. Alien, you know that too. The rule is when you come up and think like, yeah, your woman lives somewhere, you don't draft in a woman in the same area where you live with your woman, right? You know that. You have what was it back then? Make sure she's outer port woman you have. Don't. Fine.
Yeah.
She the outer port because she there Clarendon and you the so and so and whatever. But even so, you don't bring and I'm with that. Me no know. But is that alien? Me I say if you have a born with respect. Right?
Yeah.
Because it's another respecting. Like if me Rachel and be a man or whatever and them thing, me not pick up me and a woman in or something. Me she not come in and car with me and you out of respect to you, even though me a bad. You understand what I say? Me not bringing her in the car. If she want to she cuss and whatever this and that. You understand what I say? Because the ratings there with you. Me not make you come with jeopardize my thing with you. If you are dash out for me, I dash out for me. And the two of them over where I get out tight. Don't. Nobody come like you want to cross the line and come disrespect my so and so and so and run. Worse if you don't know the 100 already. It's a different thing now. If you might tell the two woman lie.
But at the hospital, me have a clue in a Raga. Because when him did pick her up, me never have no clue because no sign never did a show this. It's just a drive, him pick her up and him let her off before him let me up because like she a go stop down the road and me a go way out a Stony Hill.
No, but alien to Adora's point though. Me agree with what Adora said. That me understand what you are saying. Because you keep it 100 like, me can't beat him. She not gonna beat. And she bright. But Adora have a point though in that she wouldn't do this, so I do all of that and with them violation there if him never did that make she, you know, kind of set her for do them thing there and make she know say it's okay for do them something there, you know?
Understand.
So him did, so when you are say, oh, but him never did a hype with her up front with her and thing. Yeah, he was. Him never did do it in your face, but yeah, he was. If he pick her up in a car when you in the car, if he make she come to hospital every day and I sort her out in a bathroom, and then when you come there, you never get no sort out either. You never get no bathroom sort out, you know, alien.
No, because me say I'm sick.
But the body never sick though.
Never sick at
Yeah, the body never sick though. And she did make sure so she help him up back and all these things.
Yeah.
And Ratcha, you never did all get little jokings when you come up at the hospital, even look at something. Because any of him did ask your feet and say, yo, come squeeze a piece in the bathroom. I know you run it pan him. Oh, you mean? Because you not say no to your baby father. No, dear.
No, sir.
Oh,
no
you mean?
time.
You
There's a
see?
little close spin for him.
You see, as him squeeze your head, your leg them open. Man. Anyway, big up yourself. All right, let's say a word. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Alien, you know what's before you go?
Yeah.
Years ago, somebody used that, and you know a common thing that a Jamaica, you know. Some girl come in like clothespin and just squeeze them, make them leg open, cause clothespin.
Oh, yeah.
What? And years ago, then they put keeps and thing, and it just show you when you use. Yeah, hear me, alien?
Yeah, man, may I hear you?
It show you when you use images from your cultural. Yeah, when you use images from your cultural space. So there was this lady who heard the phrase, and we are trying to explain it to her. And even though we tell her how clothespin work when you put clothespin line, she just still couldn't get it. She couldn't get it.
So that means that she not use clothespin never.
No, she not use clothespin. She's never used clothespin. But what I'm saying is, even when we were explaining it to her what a clothespin was, she still couldn't get it. And it just struck me at that time, like, you know, like why cultural relevance is important, you know, because when you use imagery and iconography and symbols and things from your cultural space and things, but for people understand what you say, that is important. That's why them say representation is important, you know, like if you see your own people who talk like you or whatever, you know, because even when we're explaining to her and tell her what a clothespin is, Alien, you have people up here wash and dry them use them entire life. Them never hang up clothespin line.
Me know, man. Me know, me have a clue about that, yeah.
Well, you have young people at Jamaica now who never hang up clothespin line. Yeah, you have young people, I mean, what uptown or whatever, who never yet hang up clothespin line. Them not know clothespin. Yeah.
Straight dryer.
Yeah, you see it. All right, Alien, big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man, big up your tampa, man. I just want to know, say, me jealous. Whether I'm a friend or my man, me jealous, yeah.
So if Zion trainer your friend, you'd are jealous if him there on a woman too much, don't?
No, not that jealous. That weird. If me sister and next friend want to take him away from me.
Oh, okay.
Like him a me good little friend and me can't tell any little thing, you understand me? And me sister one next woman want run in or them something there.
So in other words, you can imagine a situation where you're jealous over Zion train.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that me just ask.
Reggae set up, take me down. Then I get me no problem tonight.
Yo. Watch your ride, people. Watch your ride. Ragash, yo, everybody over here, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All who over here, a TikTok. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you watch over YouTube and you're not subscribe to me yet, subscribe to me now. Subscribe to my channel now if you're over YouTube. And you're not subscribe yet, subscribe to my channel now. See? All right? Watch your ride, auntie. And before we bring up somebody else, all who know say them bathtub clean and them sinking at them bathroom clean, just post me. I could see where I'm going. All who you know say your bathtub clean right now. Right now, bad color no in your bathtub. No look a shade of grey. No in your bathtub and thing and whatever. Your bathtub clean and your sink clean. Just post me. Let me see me. Me, all right. I see a couple people I tell like money coming on no, you know, but anyway, I have to go with what you say. I'm certified. Mine want wash. I'm afraid for talk tomorrow. I do that certified. I keep it real. I know say someone a liar, you know. But me I go and work with one on post, yeah. I know someone a liar, you know. Someone in the bathroom dirty right you know. Monica, what you say today you clean the bathroom? Giselle, what go on? Chris, I believe you say your bathroom clean, you know. Chris, you want them there, man, if you take a bath in your bathtub, you know, I would just sit down, you know, look a candle and thing and some petals and sip like a wine, you know, Merlot or something wine, you know, Sauvignon Blanc or something or whatever. I'm dry you over and put it between my leg and thing and we did I drink some wine and I raise. Right, Chrissy? All right. Just imagine that scene there. Oh, me I bring in Dr. Mac and she now come in. I want to go on. Dr. Mac. No, Dr. Mac not come in, you know. Look like she never mean to come, you know. You know, sometimes, you know, Dr. Mac, you know. You understand? Wait, Chrissy, where all of them sitting there for? What, a code? Well, and people not see what K post in reference to Dr. Mac. Dr. Mac said K post and I said Dr. Mac now have no internet. Dr. Mac K say you know in your mind I know like K is a mess. Dr. Mac, Casey, you have no internet. Hot girl with no internet, no. Hey, one case sneaking, look a bit, you know. One case troublemaker, you know. It's okay. It's a Dr. McNana internet. Baby girl J, where I go down? Baby girl J, where I go down? We all the people them now come in. Sometimes TikTok do this, you know, people. Yeah, bring in the people them and them now come in. TikTok. See me I bring in people and them now come in. What one now see is that me I see it a loop. It a try come in, you know. I mean, I don't know how I go on right here, so. TikTok a itch. Alright, so me try bring in Dr. Mac and she not come in, but me I bring in K and K come. K, where I go on?
I there greetings from the Canadian border.
Alright.
Fanos, man.
And big up your
Yeah.
internet. And big up your internet, K. You have
Oh
internet.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Dr. Mac no have no internet. No let nobody fool you. And somebody internet here thief yourself. You know?
Yeah.
Me say big, cause me not afraid Dr. Mac.
You're not afraid of
You
no girl
understand?
around here. I was see you
I'm not
about.
afraid no girl, man.
Oh, you mean?
Cause me run things.
Right, you run
And
things.
me run things with Raga,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
And me run things with Raga.
And you
Nobody
run things
can
with
stop
Raga.
that.
Okay, and no woman can
That's-
stop
that-
that, though.
Not a woman. And me crush ice pan Raga. And me not take back my cat. And me not take back my cat.
You not take back your chat, Junior. You crush ice pan Raga.
Nah.
Oh, you mean?
That's right. Me
Yeah.
full of big cat, man.
Yeah, because you have ratings.
That's
If
right.
you crush ice pan a boy, yeah, then you and the boy link then. You understand?
That's right.
And when them a
That's
run
right,
in
man.
go-
And once me bust me sweat pan Raga, me day. Me good.
What you say?
And me
while
no
I-
jealous of no girl.
What you say? Rinse
Once
that
me
again.
bust me sweat pan Raga,
Yeah.
me bust me sweat pan Raga,
That's right.
and me run things.
And you
man.
run things. So you bust your sweat pan a boy. And you run things. Things don't run you.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah, and you
What
see,
Raga?
gotta show them sign too. Them pay internet pop down, and then look how you come
That-
through. What is to be must
That's
be
right, man.
fully blessed.
Them a thief internet, man.
Yeah.
They're not on the internet. Them a thief internet, man.
A thief
Trust me.
internet, I want thief man.
Yeah, thief body, thief internet, thief.
Yes, I
Raga,
Rastafari.
you make me come bad like you, know. You make me come bad like you, man.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself, you know. When I make you come here, I go know, man. Yeah, and then if I make you come here, for come
Yeah.
bad. Oh, you mean?
Yeah, you have me come good, man.
Yeah,
me not
you
play. Me come in, me come good.
When you come,
Me
you
come
come
good,
good,
man.
though. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you never have a bad come here?
No.
No, everybody has a
I
bad
bust it
come.
good.
No, everybody has a
No, me bust it good. No. Raga.
Alien say, "Kia, everybody have had bad comes. You have good come and bad
No,
come.
me not no bad, man.
What?
And me come good right in the Canadian border today.
No, one line, man. You never have a pop down come here.
No, Raga.
Me not think you understand when me ask you, you know.
Me understand what you say.
You never have a
Anyway,
come here.
another
Well,
la-
stop. May I ask you a question? Big man attack to you. Well, you never have one comment and you're like, yeah, come there never really. You never have a pop down come here.
You could get a pop.
No, me say pop down like one come where just never 100. Like, You
Yeah,
never
you know
have-
me so sweet. That's how we should.
what?
We all have that.
Yeah, you don't know that man say, yeah, we have pop down come.
We all have that. But anyway, now we get back to the wifey and the baby mother and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, Raga.
Mm.
Me love respect more than how me love love. You understand?
Talk up, no
Respect
man.
come before love.
Talk up,
In
no
a
man.
my with me, you understand? At the end of the day, people do whatever they want to do and it's up to them. But I believe that women supposed to respect other situation, especially when they are aware of it. You know, one man is married, or you know, one man got a baby mother. Don't make yourself one scene, man. Come on, you're the man there. I do what you think. Keep your business to yourself. But I am saying, if I was driving a car and me see my baby father there one bus stop and the rain was coming, even though that me with my husband, because me know that me know with my baby father, me not see the road and live it. And I know
no.
nothing.
Say that again. Say
But-
that again. What? Say that again. If what?
I'm saying, say if I had a baby daddy,
Mm-hmm.
and me see if I road by one bus stop,
Yeah.
and I even married to somebody else, and rain a come, I will pick him up. I know nothing.
Well, and
because
the
we're
husband,
not
and
in nothing.
if the husband in the car, you pick him up.
Yeah, I'll pick him up because we not in nothing. We not in nothing.
What you mean not
We
in?
are
What
not-
you mean
and-
not in anything? Me not understand. Then you're born a man.
Meaning that no. Meaning that was my past. Because what you me ex them, me no vex me me ex them no. We get along perfectly fine.
All right, no. I
Perfectly
understand that.
fine.
But what if you're born a man all right? If you and your
No,
good,
well, you see-
hold on, man. If you and your walla good man a drive, right? And you are drive and
Yeah.
your walla good man in your car, and you see your born a man who give you like amazing pleasure, and it's just absolutely wonderful to you. You know, anytime you're with him, and it's just like that vibrance in your life, even more so than your husband. But you know,
Well,
you're there with
you see,
hold on,
that, you see?
and you drive pa, and you say we and I wait him up out there, you're in there with your husband. You that pick up your bonner man?
No, because that's disrespect.
Okay.
And this is what I'm saying. This is big disrespect. I don't do things, me miss, and we joke and we laugh and stuff like that. But when it comes to serious things, I am concerned about people's feelings. You understand? And I
Right.
would not do deliberate things and stuff like that. Because you could got your wife, and if me and you got somebody on the side, I would never disrespect your wife. I would never do that. She don't have to know. Why she need to know? Why would I need to upset her by doing that? Why?
No, but you
No,
see,
I would never do that.
here's the rule. No, here's the rule. You know, you see, when you're in a them thing there, you have to tell it to the person. Say, yeah, what go on. As some things set, you have to work with it. You work with it, right? If you're not working with
Yeah.
it, well, good. But here, what go on, you know.
Yeah.
You see, if a man really care about the person who him with now, you'd have tell her, I say, B. You see, if you drive with your husband and you see me out the road and rain and wet me up and whatever, and you don't know, say, me a jump up in your belly and I go out with this something and I bite up your neck and thing and whatever. Don't pick me up. Don't disrespect the man them way there.
Don't do
pick
that.
me
Don't
up. You
do
keep
that.
driving,
Don't
right?
do that.
You
Yeah,
understand?
of
Me
course,
good.
of course.
Me
of
good.
course.
Me go tell her
Yeah,
that.
yeah, of course.
I said, no, you
Yeah,
don't
of course.
prioritize me over your gentle.
Yeah,
over your
yeah,
man
and
them there.
that-
Worse
that-
if the
that's
man good
respect.
to
You
her
can't
too,
do
and
that.
probably him not 200 with certain
Ex-
things, but him is a good man otherwise.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you are juggling a thing like a sophisticated bonner man, yeah, a classy bonner man,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
You just tell her, I said, no, B, you have to show respect to your husband and show respect to your man.
Yeah,
your
yeah,
husband
you have
and your
to,
man
you
is
have
a
to,
good
you
man.
have to.
You understand?
I believe in that.
Yeah.
I believe in that.
Yeah.
I believe in that, man.
Yeah, and tell her
I
don't give
believe
her,
in-
and tell
But
her,
you see, like, Ilian-
and tell her don't give her headers to and go kissing me either.
Well, look, what she want to do is up to she, you know. That has nothing to do with me, you know. What she can do whatever she wants. You understand? Providing I don't know, she
What's
can
out
do
your
whatever
mouth, man?
she
Go
wants.
brush your teeth before you go over.
That's right. That's right. I mean, don't get me involved in that. Don't get me involved in that.
What? Hey, God.
She can do whatever she wants, man.
Yeah, what you
And
say?
you see
You're busy
Ilian,
with
I
your
say,
pa-
oh, you see Ilian, I say about he can't beat the man. So he beat Ilian couldn't beat me because I may have him out there. No,
What
you
you
go
mean
take up
Ilian
your
couldn't
business
beat
with
you?
your man.
What you mean Ilian couldn't
Nah,
beat you?
man, Ilian couldn't. No woman a go bang me for no man because if I'm with something with the man, you don't come and have no beef with me because I'm not in nothing with you. Go blame your man. What you coming for me for?
Even when you
Otherwise-
even if you did it with the man and when Ilian come and you see Ilian in the lobby at hospital, you say, come let me carry you to your man, to your baby father. Even when you do that.
No, well, you see, the woman is very brave because I wanted to say that to Elaine.
Because you
I
would do
would
that.
never
Exactly.
say that to her.
Exactly.
No, I won't do
Exactly.
that to
Exactly.
her. I won't
Exactly.
do that to her.
Exactly.
No. So I could understand why Elaine got pissed off. I could understand that. I would never do that. In fact, me and your wife
and
and
if
another
you're dead
friend.
and the baby mother come and thing or whatever, right out the next time you say to him, say, yo, we need to go and that's up me so she not come see me, you know, what me will come here, you know, but at what time she usually come and thing and whatever. You understand what I say? I don't know
Yeah.
for thing there for them.
Right. Of course.
Some people
you because
So,
respect.
we have a thing in the camera where we say people exalt themselves or them too prims up or them too nuff. You have one talk and I say some
right,
people
them too nuff,
well,
not
I know,
themselves.
some people are juggle with bad grammar. When them for juggle singular, them are plural up themselves.
Right.
Some of them nuff is
Right.
them stop
That's
plural
right.
up themselves and stay singular.
Yeah.
Right? And if you plural
That's
up yourself
right.
and you get a beaten, your fault. You should have stay singular.
That's right.
Right?
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right, man. You can't go around disrespecting wives, girlfriend. You don't know how the thing said.
Yeah.
You know that you're still in love and decide. You don't know. You understand? So just keep
Well,
it real,
sing the
just
line
like
out
that.
of the song. Sing the line out of the song.
Still in love on the side with Raga. I'm still in love on the side. He don't belong to me. I don't belong to him. Still we're together.
I belong to you and you belong to me. Whatever, yeah.
Yeah, you held me in your arms and made love to me.
Yeah.
You know, you were my heart desire.
You know, it's the second biggest morning song that do. You know?
I know, man.
No,
I
at
know.
the
I
second,
know.
At the second greatest morning song that. The second greatest one.
I know that, master. I work I mean that people may burn them woman back in the days, all in the early late 80s, 90s. I mean, on the dance floor, and when me hear the song there, I scrub to the song, man.
But what me I say is, but one thing me like with you, but cause you don't know your things set different now. But back in the day, me can see if you take a woman, man, and whatever, you balance your thing and you know show off and hype and one come, you know.
No.
You
You have to respect women.
Yeah.
You have to respect. And that's some respect Dr. Mac, but you know, got the internet, so you have to go tap here.
Yeah. No, but Dr. Max should not take woman, man, and she not on the internet. What kind of slackness that?
Me not understand. Her data needs upgrading.
Eh?
Number one.
You say what?
Her data needs upgrading.
Her data need for upgrade, right? Go upgrade
Yeah.
Go upgrade your data before you
Upgrade.
take people, man.
Yeah. That's right.
John,
Raga.
that's a word, man. Say
Yeah, man.
blessings, man.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, big up yourself
Blessings
up
come
Canada,
from
you know?
us.
Yeah, big up yourself up Canada,
man.
right?
Over here, nice. I gonna meet with Sonia, hopefully, and Veronica, maybe.
And who?
Yeah.
Veronica?
Yeah.
Oh, Veronica, you know.
Yeah, and Sonia.
Now Sonia, okay, all right. Them have one
Right,
something up
right.
there named Poutine.
Put in what?
No, there's a thing them have up there. It's like fries with something. It's called poutine. It's like a snacky thing.
Okay.
You could try that.
So I got to go check it in.
You can
So
try
I want
that.
to say like that.
You what?
Why you so why your physics is like that? Why you saying it that way? Well, yeah,
No,
like what?
I'm not saying
What
it
the-
anyway. I'm just suggesting. You see, Ona just
Yeah.
think I'm
But
always.
your body language is speaking. Yeah, your body language is speaking.
No. Okay, here we are going. When me I talk about you, so make any Canadian tell you it's a thing. It's a Canadian thing called poutine, right? But me I say with
Poutine,
me and
yeah.
you, You know, have to read the body language because when me put in, you go feel it and know say it in
Right,
there.
you put it, of course.
Yeah, it go
That's
in there.
right, in there, of
Yeah,
course.
because me go
Yeah,
cocky up,
stick
turn you
to,
and twist you
stick.
and send it up and send it up and
That's
put
right.
it in.
That's
So you don't have to
right,
worry about
of
that. You don't have
course.
to read the body language and thing, right?
Right.
In fact,
And I call you Big Daddy.
yeah,
We speak, man. Big Daddy, man.
yeah.
Big Daddy.
I say, you no Big Daddy, it put in, we feel it. Oh,
No
you
share
mean?
me my game, you know.
That,
I
but,
keep it real.
what you say what?
No share me my game, man.
What you
No
trying?
share me my game.
What you mean by that?
I keep it real. I call you Big Daddy. I call you honey. I caress you. And all tomorrow morning when upon Dr. Mac, you think about me. You know what I mean?
But hold on, though.
That's what the thing said.
No, but you don't get graphic though when you do your thing though, right? I mean, you have to keep it real, but you know, you know, with Jamaican woman, when them say keep it real, them really keep it real. You know, talk. So.
No. But I give you the sweet talk. I give you the bed talk.
Like
you know?
like what?
Yeah.
Like what? Like if
Give
it
it to me,
nice,
Daddy.
like if it nice and thing, I mean, wine it up and curl it up and bring it to the edge and slant it and bring it back and carry it to the edge and
you
look
know,
and do them something and it nice. Like what some of the thing them what you say?
so we have to tell everybody what we say. We're
No,
going like you want
they
to
wanna
right
tell you
now.
a reason we are big people and thing like what some of the thing them
Oh,
what you
well,
say.
baby, what you want.
Right?
Yeah.
Because me will keep up the free green, and I go say, watch him, I bring it to the edge, you know, the right of the doorway. You feel it at the doorway.
Just like that, and you stay there.
And
Yeah.
wind it up at the doorway and then sink it and bring it up. But I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to touch bottom while I go in away. So what some of the thing them what you say?
And let me tell you backstroke.
What you say,
Let me
what?
tell you backstroke, man.
What you mean?
Backstroke.
I hear you talk that. What kind of backstroke you talk about? I swim where I swim?
No. Jamaica, you be careful with me, you know. Be careful with me, you know.
No, but
Be
what you mean by
careful with me. Not the
backstroke?
kind of back. No backstroke, man. You go backstroke, man.
No. That's not sex talk. You know, come with... No.
No.
If me that I said them
Let me
something
tell
to
you
you, me that I said them something to you, you
no,
go ball out backstroke. What you mean backstroke? Your back and scratch. Your back and scratch if me come. What you mean by backstroke?
Okay, so maybe that you see what happened now. You see, that's why culture go with culture, right?
Yeah.
Maybe the whole that may have to teach you the Montserrat way for you to understand.
Yeah, teach me the
certain
Montserrat
things,
term.
because
I love
another kind
Listen
of back there, another kind of back.
Teach me the Montserrat term, because I love learn. Take me to school, baby.
When I send for you to come to England to see me,
What?
we will have our tour. Oh yeah.
Go see we in London. Go see we in London, though. Yeah.
That's right.
When I drop a London and thing, I'm say, you think so all this time you didn't know a Big Ben. You just know it now.
You know what I mean? Oh, man. Can't love your vibes, man. But you know what Elaine say? About that person named Dirty Karen?
Yeah,
We're gonna have to confess something right now.
What?
You know that it's Karen is my correct name.
Alright. So for me well, me know already, you know, because you did have to certain thing and whatever, so me know,
Right.
but me not put people name out there if you not put. But I carry your name, bro. Carry your name, yes,
Right,
man.
Karen. But trust me, I'm not a dirty Karen. Are you?
You
You
see?
know, I just laugh when I heard Elaine say that. I laugh so much, man.
Yeah, no,
I
yeah, but
laugh so much.
Karen
trust
them
me,
a,
man.
most Karen a bad girl, them, you know. Most Karen them a bad girl.
Oh,
man.
really?
Yeah, most of
Oh,
Karen
man.
them. Karen and the Keisha them.
The one you cut from one different cloth, man. She good.
Karen and the Keisha them are upfront bad girl them. Like the Nikki them.
No.
The Nikki them
That Karen
sneaking.
you cut.
Mm,
She cut from the volcanic island, man. She
that's
good to go.
right.
She good.
Montserrat. All right. Now say
She born with heat. Plenty heat, man.
Oh, heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. Yeah.
Right. You could spell, you know. You could spell.
Uh-huh. Isn't it
You could
funny
spell.
that heat is you know,
Because it's different heat, you know.
yeah.
It's the same pronunciation, but the
Right.
spelling is different. You know that, innit?
Right. But it's really eat with an H.
Yeah. Raga, man.
We
Oh
so
my
bad.
days,
We're
man.
so
Yeah,
bad.
man.
We're so bad.
Yeah, we're so bad,
We're
man.
so bad. But
Yeah,
no, but you
man.
know, say me and you juggling, I can't just see a bite me up, just a bite me up all about. So, yeah.
Raga, the things that case gonna do to you.
What?
Damn,
Wait,
man.
what?
Why you mouth go so?
Eh? What? You like, what all my mouth I go? No, but you just say
Like
things
that.
them way. Me say me can't just see a bite me up all about,
You come to England, man. When you come to England, you'll be off for 1 week. You won't be doing no show. We'll have our own show over
No,
there.
sure. No, it's a one sure, no.
No show, man.
Tambourine.
That's right.
All
That's
right.
right, man.
All right, Kane. No say a word, man. Big up yourself here.
Hey, TamFamers, and I hope I get to see Sonia and Veronica before I leave out here.
That's right.
You
Before
know?
you shoot out of Canada and thing. Where in Canada are you? Are you in Toronto? Are you in Brampton? Are you in
It's Toronto.
Ottawa?
Brampton's in
Oh, you're in
Toronto,
Brampton.
basically.
You're in Brampton.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all
Down here where the Indians there.
Yeah, a lot of them there. Them take over Brampton.
Yeah. A lot of them come down here, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, anyways, TamFamers, I'm gonna sleep because it's gonna be another busy 5 days for me.
Sure.
And
All right.
yeah.
Bless up yourself,
Big
man.
up yourself, Raga.
Yeah, man. Love
You
and
know that I
blessings.
can love you, heart and soul. Right?
Wow. You just
Heart
warmed.
and soul.
Girl, stop. You just warmed.
Heart and soul, man.
You just warmed my
Heart
heart.
and soul.
What? Stop. You being
And
so
I keep
bad.
praying for you, man. I keep praying for you and
Okay.
for everybody on here. I love you guys. I do.
Give thanks, man. That's
All
the
right?
word, man. All right,
Keep
blessing
up the
you.
great work, brother. Dr. Mark, no watch nothing. I me run things.
You see it. She have to just understand herself and hold her corner.
Have a good night, all right? God bless you.
All right.
Blessings,
Blessings, cool. What you right, people. Do remember, we're there on Mondays to Thursdays. At 7 o'clock now till 10 o'clock, All right? And we'll go later some night, all right? Mondays to Thursdays, yes, we're there. So make sure someone come in. Time did have to change and thing, I have some summer responsibilities. It used to be 6 to 9, but now it's 7 to 10. So give me time for make sure some can I keep my kids them through the day and bring them back up on them mother and all these things and whatever and come back come do the show though. I saw the summer set up, Everett a big up, and again thanks for your little blessings where you give a lot yesterday, Yeah, man, Everett a bless up with art last night, man. We have to give thanks, And big up Ishani. Large up to Ishani, All right, watch your ride, man. See what I go on there, so. Greetings. Hello? Hello? Oh, you did that here and you're not saying nothing. You did that here. I second time this you come up and you not say nothing, I will probably have to go block you, because second time you come up and you not say nothing. So we don't know why you do that. You need to tell us at least your accident make you come up. Through the fire.
Raga, how you doing?
Well, go on, Lion Queen. Me see you make some posts in the chat there. You know, what a way you enjoy. Oh, what a way you enjoy the show. I was so. Me see you make some posts them and me say, well, she's enjoying the show and things. Seen. What's up?
I'm just messing with these people, man. No, I mean, with the lady before,
Yeah.
I disagree. I mean, I don't think if I'm in the car with my husband and me see my bonner man and rain a fall,
Mm-hmm.
me have to stop and pick him up. Cause why me gonna make him stay out and get catch flu? Or who I just give him lime and honey for nursing? Me? No. So me have to pick him up.
No, but
You just have to- you have to-
no, but you whole man in a car. We are picking
Yeah,
up
but
for
you have
that.
to skill. And this is next level thing, Raga. This is for them type of woman who are skillachi. Understand?
Yeah.
So you pick him up and as soon as him come in at the car, now you say, Brother Brooks, how you doing, sir? You, right there, so him supposed to pick up and know, say, why, I'm a church brother, play along. You have to skill and know if you do the things, man. But me not catch
One
you.
second. People, old school term, right? Skillachi are somebody who sharp, savvy, and know for road, know the road code. Skill, smart, you know, savvy. And I say, a real skillachi, you know, you know what you're doing, you know, seeing. But yeah, go and talk. So, yeah, go and talk now.
Because listen, me not pick him up, him get Stewart in the rain and catch cold. When a time for me go start out, me over there get honey and lime and I rub down with
Nothing wrong. You're nursing back to health separate
no, but
from...
that is far. So you have to keep him healthy and strong, you know. Because, you know, so when you reach over there, so time is of the essence. You have to get to bragadaps and cut. So me can't afford him get him sick. Him just have to skill and know. So when him coming at the car, I say, hi, Brother Brooks. Brother Raga, how you doing? And I didn't get to come to church Sunday. Him will pick up and will say, who are the real boss man? This, me have to play along and dust, you know?
Yeah.
You have to skill. So I saw it work.
So you admit then that what you'd be doing would be somewhat selfish then, right?
Not necessarily.
Yes.
Why?
All right, let me
How is
ask
it
you again.
selfish?
You don't think it would be disrespectful to your husband or your man, your walla man?
I mean, well, the key thing is, does he know? If him don't know,
know that thing I go say. Know that thing.
if him don't know,
Yeah.
if him don't know, then me gone clear.
Yeah, if him not know, then no disrespect never did. They can.
And me have to know, me have to skill for know, say, and me know the type of side man and bonner man I got talk to when know, say, listen, you know the thing already. Once you see me jump from the topic, even if you don't know, play along. Jump in at the role. If me say, Brother Brooks, you know, say, you don't name Brooks, and me and you don't go church, but you have to pick up and go on with it.
Yeah.
So you have to say, oh, skillachi, you know, you have to be them type of person, you know, cause listen, man, them got a skill like dog. So you have to skill too.
The man them what?
The man them skill too.
Really?
How me know, so listen, all me know say when my husband say, boy, me I go over Ralphie, them go play some dumb. All me know say Ralphie gone for true and not over Cheryl Yard or Kay or Elaine or Dr. All me I gonna know that.
There's a simple answer to that. If your man say he might go over whatever and he's Jamaican, then he's telling the truth because Jamaican men don't cheat.
You're gone too far. Gone too far. Maybe I got maybe like you know, maybe like wrong bang here.
It's a wrong bang. No ticky.
Wrong bang here.
No
You're
ticky.
gone too
No
far.
ticky. No ticky.
It is no ticky. And that you can't say no ticky
No
means
ticky.
no ticky. So you have to know what you do. You can't. You have to be careful, Raga.
We say no ticky
you know
means
me-
no titty. That bad.
You have to skill. Listen, women don't just get up and become real skillachi and just have sideband. Most women don't really start out like that.
Yeah.
And when you learn through trial and errors, like you learn through hurt and pain when the man them do it to you, and say, listen, I'm tired of this now. Me sung a ball over man. Me tired.
No.
And my time now.
Hold on, let me ask you something now. Nowadays and thing like when people are give born and thing, what are some of the things them need for be skillachi with and skill with?
Well, you have to know the type of man that you're picking out to be a side man.
Elaborate.
Well, he cannot be someone who's jealous, possessive, or aggressive.
I catch it.
You
He
pick out
can't
him-
be jealous, possessive, or aggressive. Okay.
or aggressive. Nothing of the sort, because that is trouble right there
Right,
and then.
listen.
You have to pick a man that is understanding, forgiving, and patient. If you say, listen, I can't come out tonight. He said, no problem, honey, tomorrow. And if tomorrow come, you can't say, boy, I'm tired again.
Wait. Hold on. Don't get one
Raga,
that
a long time in that business. Don't act like you
get
don't.
one that is jealous, possessive,
Or aggressive.
right?
Yeah,
But
exactly.
get one that is understanding, patient. And what the other one? What the other word? You did that one next word, you know. A tree. You give a tree, but tree for tree.
Me no remember, but you have to just know.
Man, the chat, them are gonna come with it, man. Don't worry, them bad panels. Them are gonna come with it, man. But don't get jealous, possessive, or
it's
aggressive.
a vetting process, you know.
Yeah.
It's a vetting process.
Right, understanding.
That's the thing with men, you know.
Patient and thing.
Yeah. So there's a difference between women and men. Men go out there, them see a girl with a big bottom, she nice, look sexy, boom, me I go off her. Them not think. You need a docile woman on the side, a woman that is submissive and docile. So when she see you with the woman a roach, hold her head straight like she don't know you. This is the problem. They pick up aggressive women and then next thing you know, the woman come and say, who this and she already know about your wife and style up and exalt herself when she see your wife.
So
you have to know.
So when you pick, so you have to be proactive to make sure so you pick the right person for
you
with.
You have a strategy for your vetting process.
The determining factor for you pick the burning person shouldn't be that them good looking and cute and this and that.
No, sometimes you get some ugly man but him have it proper and downstairs. But as long as him have everything else, you work with it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. What else now? Going on.
And a face I do it a waist. You understand? So once he has the waist, not necessarily the face, but him also patient, understanding, you know, that he can work. That is the right.
But when you say face,
criteria.
you refer to looks though, but you're not opposed to him.
No, that's what I'm saying.
You're not
if he
opposed
doesn't
to
have
him
the,
being facially skilled though in terms of the administration.
no,
of
that is a must. That is possibility. Those are has to be. That is a possibility. Possibility.
It shouldn't be a possibility. It must be a possibility, right?
Possibility. You have to have it.
Boy, if you can use up him mouth and him face, auntie. Okay, go on.
You gotta be good upstairs and downstairs.
Yeah.
If you not have it, you get left.
Yeah. I mean, why
Because
born
if I'm going to-
if you're not gonna get that? Like, why you gonna take the risk?
Exactly. But what if you're a woman that they with a Jamaican man? And most Jamaican man will come and say, no, I'm not in the eating thing, but that's your thing. But your husband is a great man, provider, great father, great everything. But him not in that way. You now gonna say, well, I have to leave him. No, you're gonna stay, but you will find the extra additional thing outside that you need.
No, say that again. So if a woman have a good Jamaican man who's a good provider, good everything, but him not eat, what you say, explain that now, what?
If you have all of that,
right,
but your husband is a traditional or old school Jamaican man, will come with the store say, me not in a no waist pan face business.
Right.
And that is your thing. You love that.
Right.
And you like you prefer a man where that is his aphrodisiac. Then you have to search for such man.
Right.
Right. And then when you find him, not just because he's good at those things, he has to be, again, not aggressive. And you have to, when you vet him out, man, you've passed the stage, you say, yeah. Then that'll be the first top like 5 or 6 things.
Right.
You have to vet him.
Right.
And once him good at those things, you're gone clear.
But
so that's why
what if you vet him and after you vet him, you conclude accurately that at that moment he's neither jealous nor is he possessive nor is he aggressive. But then after you and him are interact, now as I've always told people that once two people are interacting, it never stays static. It either expands or it contracts. It either gets stronger, it get deeper, whatever, or it's whatever. Because life by definition is dynamic, continually moving and so forth and things like that. So initially he wasn't jealous, he wasn't possessive, he wasn't aggressive. But then now him start catch feelings and things, decide to just have a different color to it, right? And thing like that. And him start to get possessive.
And that is highly possible because if you're giving...
Right, and him start to get possessive and think, what do you do at that point?
Well, that's when you would stamp in with his expiration date. Quickly. Right? You have expired.
Let it go.
Immediately.
Go. Let it go.
Immediately. Because you can't afford finger start show up on your yard
Yeah.
or see you with your husband or rinse up your face and your husband say, babe, I would have Monday. You know him from something, you might not look on me and wait.
Why
And me I say, damn.
the car they always a drive past the house so slow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I said, you know, worse like if you live at the up on a dead end and him say, but this a car, you know, make no sense. Just go down and turn, come back and go back.
and whatever. So you
Right
have,
there
you have to
and
have
then,
the,
Mr.
you have to have the discipline for expire that.
discipline.
Send with that. Done with that and
You have to
whatever.
have faith and strong mind to know, even though she have a good version, you have to stay in line.
Stay in line. You go, leave with your good front. Sayonara
And
with your
that's
good front.
the moment me see the car go the dead end and come back, me stamp him. Expiration date effective immediately.
Yeah, go call you after 8 o'clock at night and thing and whatever, but I just want to
You
hear
get
your voice.
blocked.
Lego that. But you just want to
No.
hear voice and thing. Lego that, man.
I block you permanently,
Yeah.
immediately.
Right.
And first of all, it wouldn't even reach that far because number one, in part of the vetting process, he will never know my true real name or where me really live. So he would not be able to do all of those things.
Hold up. Are you saying that
No.
when you have a bona man or a bona woman, them not know where you live or know your real name?
Me ever name Stacy, I mean no name nothing so.
Yo, you got game, man. You got game. So you said, never you make your bona man or your bona woman know where you live with your people, them, don't?
No matter how, never. That is the breaking the cardinal rule. You can't know your name because people change and feeling becomes. But you too can catch feelings. So you have to put yourself in a position and say, listen, me have to know say it's possible if me like him or him like me, me can maybe maintain and hold and have faith and strong mind, but he might not, and he might cross the line and violate, and that's why him can't know certain things just in case you have to cut and leave him immediately.
Right.
You have to quick, man.
Yeah.
Me, my good Obuno's husband, I pay mortgage, pay bills, pen picking out school, and me, I'm gonna make you if you're gonna live in a year like one room.
Yeah,
No, sir,
no. See it, you see people, you see that clarity of purpose, clarity of process, right? And discipline in the sustenance of the process. Procedure is important. It's like the court. Most people think it's the law that make people win most cases. No, it's procedure. Did you do the thing the right way and
Exactly.
whatever, this and that, and then ting. This
Following
is important.
protocols.
I want you to listen. And then discipline in sustaining
Stop.
the procedure and whatever. And cut off when for cut off. You have to have that discipline for cut off some good pony and some good body.
Yes,
Send that
and you
thing
have to do you do have to practice some type of every now and then you do a little boot camp, you test him. You know what I mean?
How you do that? How you do that?
You create hypothetical scenarios where,
Yeah.
let me see if him to get a chance to style my husband or move a certain way if I'm gonna exalt himself.
Right.
I have to test you, but if you don't fall for the bait, we continue. I extend your date.
Yeah.
Right?
Like,
But if not, let me stamp you.
if them a reach out to you and can't get you and thing, and you did, you test them, link and thing and see how them
If
react,
listen to me,
Yeah.
you have to train them. If I say you call me and you don't get me, wait for me to call you back. You see, if you call me back one more time after that, you're not hear from me again.
Nah, yeah,
I block me.
again. Yes, man. Body block.
Because I must see a missed call
Body
and eventually
block.
get to you.
That is a body
Yeah.
block. That deserves a body
Yes.
block. A body block.
Yes.
Right? A body block.
Not 10 calls in a regard. The second call, I'm blocking you.
Right.
Because the first call, me miss it. It could be a reason why me could answer. Don't
Exactly.
call back.
Don't
Don't
call
call
back.
me. I will call you.
Right. And if them break
Come
it,
and see the missed call,
Yeah.
You see the missed call.
Yeah.
And at some point, me have to address the missed call. So the moment you take yourself and say, I'm not here, at 2 hours, I'm call and she not call, I'm going to call her again. The moment you do that, you shoot yourself in the foot.
see it there
Right
and
there.
move wrong. Nah, govern the thing and whatever. Right?
Yeah, man, and that you take out the stamp and stamp, denial.
But it's okay if you have feelings about a person, though. You just don't want to get too strong. Is that correct?
For a woman, most women, we are, emotional creatures. So we are going to develop feelings, but you have to have a faith and strong mind and know
Right.
it's just fun. It's having a great time.
Right.
And it's not worth it. And that's where men go wrong. They cannot differentiate and say, listen, me not care how good our pum pum is, even if it's better than my wife. I have made a commitment over here. Me not left my wife. You know, on a road. I have a family, young children. These are things you should be thinking about. Women think
Somebody in
about
the
those
chat,
things.
somebody in the chat, Samantha say, lots of big talk here. It doesn't sound real. She basically I say you're full of chat right now, but when you're in a position, it not go real. That's Samantha say.
No, but Samantha, honey, you don't know me, darling. So you're going to say that.
See, there's
But
Samantha,
people with
no.
experience like me that not just come off the top of your head. You have lived that experience.
Samantha
Right?
look like she not have body discipline, you know, like so she fall, yeah.
They don't.
Yeah.
And that tells me she would fall in love and go in the one bedroom and leave the mansion.
And those, yes, yeah, I end up I eat crab, you know, like land crab.
No, crab is expensive, sir.
Oh,
no,
well, yeah,
mackerel.
take that. Yeah, mackerel.
Yes, mackerel and sardine. No,
Yeah,
I
tin
like
mackerel and sardine.
caviar and lobster lifestyle. I'm not going to give up that.
Me not tin
You know,
mackerel,
chicken
no.
back. No, wrong bang.
Rang bang, no tiki.
No,
No
exactly.
tiki. No tiki. You see,
You know, you have to have that you know, the ability, the mental fortitude, and vet the men properly.
All right,
And
then.
so listen,
I know this is a kind of segue because it's essentially the converse of the same question I asked before, but nonetheless, I'm going to ask it.
okay.
You know, with the idea that you may still submit something like really different and you know, really, you know, really thoughtful and insightful. So we just talk about, you know, some of the things you think about to efficiently give bun. All right, if you want to find out if somebody a give bun or you want to catch somebody a give bun, what are some of the modern day like techniques, you know, is really good for find out? What are some of the
good
cardinal
old tried and
what?
As a woman,
Yeah.
the good old tried and true is at the beginning, the initial stages when you feel it's intuition for a woman. I can't speak for a man.
Yeah.
As a woman,
Yeah.
my intuition is very sharp, very heightened, right? And the moment a man changes his pattern, carrying the phone at the back, like any little thing that changes, very subtle things that he might not realize or notice, I am going to pick that up immediately. Once I pick that up, that begins the stage 2 process of the federal investigation by me, right? That's
So
when
hold
you
on.
begin that.
Deviation from established patterns is a
Patterns.
sign that warrants, triggers additional investigation. That's what you say, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We need to explore this. What has changed? Why
Right.
the change of patterns?
And then what's the next?
And
what's the
I
next
need to
move?
know.
What's the next move? That's the next move.
The next move is to really stay quiet, be patient, because they always trip over themselves. Slowly, smartly, and low-key begin your subtle investigation. You're only going on a stage 1 investigation. You're not going to just jump up and say, me search your phone. No, because him can't talk him. We are backtrack out of that. You
Yes.
have to make sure you gather all evidence when you are going to confront, if you decide to confront the man.
Right.
If you're a good tried and true woman and you know that you have been a good wife, done your part, you've gone upstairs, downstairs, you take care of the family, you do everything, you kneel and pray. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Kneel and pray.
Kneel
and everything.
pray.
And
we know.
right.
Upstairs and downstairs.
Right? And him still gone a road.
Still gone a road.
Then you know, that's when you have to say, no, I have to definitely explore this. Something is wrong here.
Mm-hmm.
And you begin. For me, I would begin with a subtle, I'm going to stay the same. If I'm cooking your meals, I'm going to continue. That's the difference between men. I don't change my pattern, even if I'm investigating you. Everything stays the same.
You know what? I am glad you're saying this. Ask any other TamFam of them over here. When I tell them, my other tell them, say, someone always I say, why Raga, this and that, and I tell them, say, no, a woman me learn them thing from is woman me ask question and say, oh, so and so. And you see what you just say? Ask them. But always I tell them that, say, this is how woman do. Because when woman do them thing, one thing with uno stay within established routines, right?
And territory,
Uno not
yes.
deviate. Right? Uno
No.
not deviate. If uno do that do so and so every Wednesday, uno still a do so and so every Wednesday, and it have to happen within the context of uno still a do so and so every Wednesday. A man
Or it
now
will not.
always a deviate from established pattern and a raise up suspicion, right? Second,
Right,
you see what you just say when you see something, Don't do what man do in a anger. Hey, girl, what you do over this? So I would have, but no, right away, want to start
Right.
investigation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I,
Lovingly, might I add, because I'm gonna say, honey, you want the dinner, you ready now, and I'm gonna share it and do. Me not gonna have no attitude for spook you, so you go cut off before me get the full information we need.
listen to me, now, man. Chop
I'm
down.
gonna be extra nice, not even extra nice. I'm gonna be my true self, so you
Right.
wouldn't think anything, and you continue your outside,
Right.
things that you're carrying on with. But I am never gonna confront you because they will say, no, you're overreacting because man quick to flip you back on you, and say, yeah, really have a fact. You check my phone and you see one look at text or somebody say, what that mean? I don't even know this. You don't have the evidence because you have to stop there and take it down. Guy, you bed go cry.
So
That is not
while
me.
the investigation is going on,
Is
it is imperative that no attitude no come out, no this and that for kind of spook him and
No,
make him get
you don't stop
suspicious.
washing clothes. You don't
Yeah.
leave cold food.
Yeah.
No, you don't do that. You love him
Keep
up
him
same way and do everything.
comfortable. Make him comfortable
Very
and thing,
comfortable.
and don't
Yes.
know what is
While
going
you're
on.
investigating.
What is unfolding. Right.
Yes.
See it there. At school, they carry them.
Someone said,
At
I'm not
school-
a CIA, but you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised that no, I don't have a class. I learn a lot of these things from friends, family
These are
members,
standard.
and
These are standard.
and just from
Smart.
life
Yeah,
experiences.
smart move. Yeah, this is smart.
And,
move.
and you learn. You learn.
Yeah.
A man teach me this, me, I was a nice, good girl, now a man calls me to be a wicked girl, man.
No. You
man
chose.
can't
No. You chose to.
No,
do
I
this.
chose because of his actions.
No.
Yes,
You chose because you're
absolutely.
going to benefit from it. Just like how the man them chose. And
No,
think
but
you
if
chose.
me faithful, and every time me catch you and we are crying, you're going to say, okay, last time, babe, me not do this again. I'm done with the dirty girl. And she pursue me now, I should have know better. And this a story the man come tell me now.
I
All of
know,
these.
but it's still you choose to put it this way. You have women who go through worse than what you go through and still not and chose not to be so and so and end up I'll find a good
You're right.
relationship.
You're right. Because there are women who will just carry on and cry, and then there are women like me who will be planning his 9-9. So it's a different, there are
Right.
different women.
No, but what I'm saying,
They're
you have women who just do whatever and them find happiness in a fit them one way, But no, me not say anything wrong with your choice, Me just I say take responsibility. It's not the man choose for you, it's you choose. Everybody go through bad things and whatever. What you choose after you go through badness is still your choice. And the
That
bad
is
things
true. That is
cause you
true.
is still your choice.
In
It's always your
consideration
choice.
with all the variables that he did this, and
Yeah.
based on this you
Yeah.
shall learn and burn, just like me. You're gonna learn and burn. Yes.
You have a way with words.
Yes.
Learn and burn. Learn
Yes.
and burn.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. Yeah. Listen, I was a good girl, and I was a late bloomer.
Right.
Dated this guy when I was in college. I was 19 years old,
Wow,
and
you
he was
were
a
a
little
baby.
older.
You were a baby. Yeah.
19 years. I was 19 years old,
Yeah.
dating this guy,
Right.
and him behave like he's so. I mean, still live at house. I'm a mother house. Obviously, I'm 19 in college, so I'm still
Right.
at home. But him have his own place, and we lived in. I'm a burner account. This I don't want to say too much on him depending what year, because I'm like you too. But anyway. And I live in New York and he live in New Jersey. So it's a
Right.
good hour and a half drive, hour 15 minutes drive.
Depending. Yeah, right.
Right. Depend in Orange where he live versus the
Oh,
in New
orange,
York.
and thing. Yeah, so from
Yeah,
the
I don't want to
Bronx,
say too much.
yeah, 95 go down, hour and a half,
And
2 hours. Yeah.
every night when so I only see him on the weekends. I go to college and and he works. So every night we talk from 7-8 o'clock till I have to say sometime, babe, you need to go to bed to get some sleep because you have work in the morning.
Right.
He said, yeah, man, I'm true, I'm a Jamaican. You hear me say that?
Yeah.
So anyway, one Friday night, I said to him, what's going on? We talked, but him a behave like him extra tired and him, right there and then my antenna gone up. But me, the young and naive, so me thinks that was very strange because you're a late nighter. You're up all night. Me have to tell if you go to bed. And tonight, you're tired and boy, my baby, I have to go get some sleep because we were going somewhere Saturday. So we're going to meet up early in the morning. He's going to pick me up and we're going to head out. So when he did that the Friday night, it's possible that he's tired, want to get the rest to drive to New York, come and pick me, and then we go on our long journey. So,
Right.
but something in my gut, my intuition, like I said, is very heightened. I said, something, he said, babe, I go just lie down and get some sleep. I said, all right, no problem. But when I got off the call, I'm going to turn and look on the clock. It was like 8:17. I never forgot. I said, 8:17?
And him a go to
Right
bed
there and
already.
then.
Both him and go to bed
Yes,
already.
and you 12 o'clock at night, me have to say, go on in your bed because you're getting up at 5. You need to get some rest.
Yeah.
You have bigger content, you can't go by the people them job go sleep. So I
Yeah.
said that was right there and then. I sat down for like literally 5 minutes. I said, no, something up here so. All right. Me I go head out. Me go head out. Something not right. And I have to go with my gut instinct because so far I haven't been wrong.
Right.
The hour and 15 minutes ride, me jumping on my car same time
Oh my God.
and push out. It's how when you're young and naive, you know, stay and collect, you know. I wasn't staying and collecting. Me I confront at that time. Me find out, me suspect, me feel, me I confront. I was young and dumb. 19.
Mm-hmm.
Me jumping on my car and breeze. When me reach and me see the heap of traffic for go through the toll, for going out George Washington and break quick. Me say, mighty God, if him a move and him a make a move, him a gone. Me, not have no easy pass, but I did go over there at the easy pass. Then I say, oh, roops, raps, reps, me a bust this. Send me a ticket in the mail, cause me now, me something is up.
Mm-hmm.
Go through the easy pass, go on where me I go. And he live in a little gated area with a little complex. You see when me pull in at the parking lot,
Mm-hmm.
I look down on the clock. You know what time I reached there? I reached there in like about less than 40 minutes. That's how you know the trouble take you really. I didn't realize that me I press like
you
that.
were clocking, man. Yeah.
I was clocking. You see, when we reached, I said, I am going to drive around, not just his regular assigned spot. I'm going to drive to his guest parking. Because him skill, he must have been over the guest parking. And I never put somebody in my spot. Because that happens before. He coming on the phone talking to me, someone in his spot, and he goes in his guest parking. And they're in his specific spot. So I go and circle the entire complex. No car. I said, okay, mind you, I had an apartment key for his apartment. He didn't have for me because obviously I'm living with my mother. So I used me say me want kitchen. Cause me think a woman at the house. When me go in there, bed, makeup, everything stays same way. I can tell he never even came home from work. Cause he's a typical Jamaican man. Get up, make up in bed a morning time, no matter how late he's running, and that time give away to him. I go and sit in the bed well make up. I said he never even came home yet.
Mm-hmm.
Calling him not answer him phone. So me take up in house phone and say, you're gonna answer now, because you're gonna see your house phone calling you. So me must in at your house. So me take up in house phone and call him. He answer, babes. Me say, where are you? All of a sudden he can't talk. But me can hear a little female voice in the distance. So me say, where are you now? Me say, who are you with, by the way?
Mm-hmm.
But he can't talk because the person is right there. Give me a few minutes. Give me my son come. I say, excuse me, I'm talking to you. Tell me where you are now. I say, tell me where you're there now. We're done. Me and you're done. Or you can't explain yourself. Me no need no explanation when you reach in front of me. Because you can't tell me anything.
Mm-hmm.
You only hear one woman in that background. Answer her. She's asking you. Yes. Woman in the background tell him to answer me because she's asking me.
Yeah.
Phone call drop dead. Me say, okay. All right. When me look, me say, a person must not live far because within 10 minutes him reach there. When he come in, him a go cut. Me say, these men, I don't want to get like a flashback. The man come in, the man a cry, read, babes, on the way I think, man. I mean, no say son away now. And him a give me every story in the book. Me say, listen to me carefully.
Hold on. When him
Me
come
not
in,
sure where-
when him come in, him start explain.
He start explain and over explain, and that's the first giveaway number one.
Aha.
Yeah, over explaining information with all, I tell me all kind of thing. I'm like, all the person said in that background, tell me. You know what I mean? That's all it is.
Hold on. If him did have a beat you at that moment, hypothetically, even though you know, you don't know and whatever, right? If him could have get by you in some way, what him could have did do for make you start say, yeah, you know some up to something about based on what him say. Yeah, what him could he have said anything or do anything different?
Actually, he could have said less. The over explain.
But explain. What would I do for make you be like, I really don't know.
At that point in time, nothing, because I heard the female voice. If she never said anything, he probably would have get over it a little bit. But I have in my mind a story for myself.
No. Because serious. What could I do with even the female voice?
At that time at 19, no, with the female voice, no, you can't go around me. Once we hear her, because the moment I heard the tone, no, tell her, she want to say it with attitude if you tell her where you're there.
No,
So she
no,
want
me
you to-
get that, you know. Say what? Let me rephrase it.
Okay.
There are times when people are 100% sure and catch a person, you know, and them know say them 100% sure, but the person
Right.
still end up say something where it's kind of like, you know, the back of their mind, they're like, I know that
Yeah, like-
boy is lying, but you know what? You see,
I
to
guess
say
the
so and so,
typical-
me just kind of go with it.
Babe.
When could I say? When could I say?
Probably the typical something you can tell a 19-year-old baby, you know, me love you, and it's an honest mistake, and we live so far. You know, give me the long story. You live far and we live far. We only see Japan on the weekend, and sometimes we just get caught up. Like, you know, the little story them when they tell.
Why if him this say something like?
Maybe.
Why if him this say something
Maybe.
like? Why if him this say something like? You see, you fall for mischief and you don't even know what she up to when she come and she say them things upon the phone and whatever. You don't even know what me did over there I talk to her about and things like that. As somebody who me used to talk to and whatever, yeah, me not hide it. As somebody who used to talk to and this and that and whatever. But we never did anything. All right? And, you know, why if him this say something along them line there?
No, see, that would actually have the opposite effect. It'll rile me up and send me in a lioness mode, as I said my name, like me crazy.
Yeah.
Like I would definitely be clawing your face up. I don't play those games. Like if you're gonna lie, don't insult my intelligence and come with something because flip it back and try if it be it. That would irritate me more.
Oh, so yeah, so basically if him just shut down and don't even to talk or nothing and whatever.
It better if him just shut down and stop the over experience, say, babe, you know what? Me wrong. You know what I mean? Me wrong. Me should me not know how me even get myself like this. Maybe me not more for believe and say, all right, me give a chance to call. Boy,
okay,
ramp with me, you know. But if you hype with it and wrong and strong,
what you that say? You that say? When you say if him do that, you that say, hey boy, don't ramp with me.
No,
say, hey
I
boy,
do.
don't ramp with me, you know. Okay, don't do it again, you know. Yeah, it's a maybe and him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you vex one little time and then him cut one little bit. And something on man, you say, all right. When you see the length and the strength, you say, oh God, man. All right, we forgive you.
Yeah.
You know?
Well,
But you're
mean,
19, you're young and dumb, you know?
Wheel out the instrument and say, bass, me sorry, you know, and then wheel it out.
Sorry, right.
And do that look apologetic, make up something that way you know, say, I'm going to go extra and
Yes.
give to you good to do.
Right. Proper backers and you just say, all right. But mind you know, say, oh, you have to put, a woman never forgets though, you know. She rests that on a shelf somewhere in her room.
Oh,
No,
God. Yeah, y'all are good at that. Y'all are good at that. Yeah.
No, but when he came in, the over explaining and the fake bawling, because he's crying but no tears is coming out. So I knew there and then, yeah, that's some bullshit. So I said, listen, tell you what, I'm done. It not gonna work because the fact that I heard a female and you're trying to convince me like I'm stupid, like I didn't hear that, is already gonna get to the next level. I'm leaving. Him no want me leave, and it was a narrow passageway, and him blocked the local entrance. I said, I'm leaving. Him no want me leave. So, you know, young and dumb, me go back to the kitchen, draw out the meat cleaver, and it's a narrow passageway. So me start moving. I have no intention of cutting him or doing anything. I was just wiping it two side. He has to back up and move out the way so I can leave. But when him determined and him a go on and him not leaving a baby like him want stronger, like he knows once I leave, that's it, because he knows me. And he can't afford for me to leave. Because I live at home and I like, you can't come on my house. My mom is there. You know what I mean? You will never get to see me like that.
Mm-hmm.
So him try to back me up. So me start wipe the meat cleaver and him white dress shirt kind of accidentally, allegedly, got a little scratch and a little, you know, in the tussle muscle, scratch him in the muscle area. And I just saw the white shirt turn red in the front. So me panic, drop all of that. But, it was not bad. But because we were already hot and heated and so, you know, in blood quick for rush, right? Mm-hmm. So it was just a little scrape. But when I saw the white shirt turn red, me drop it same time and jump in on my car and bus come back and here come. I said, Jesus Christ, I jail me gone now. Me can't, you know, me, and in my behave extra, babe, you cut me, and I kneel down and I behave, God, ambulance, my behave extra. Me run left him in the car, me be so frightened till me run left him in there. But, to, you know, speed up the story, him never cut, but it was a little scratch, but because he wanted me to sorry for him and, you know, forgive him and try to, oh my God, I turn around and start nursing him or care for him or something, that's what him do. I made to forgive him, you know.
Yeah.
I was young. Me forgive him. It take a little time. him come on my yard and back in me, you know, the man, the parallel part next to my car, there's front car in front, car in back, I can't come out. And you go on, and, you know, follow me
You
everywhere.
forgave him because you realize in the long run that he wasn't cheating.
Sir,
Eh?
a long time I listen to you, I'm like you. Don't do that. Don't do that. I forgave him. But you know why I left him though? I had to leave because I was not born in this country. And when you're there with a cantankerous man that is going to cause you stay in this country, I was born in Jamaica. Me no want to do nothing. My mother worked so hard to bring me here to come to high private school, college, all of these hard work and embarrass her and let her down like that. Because a man, me or get myself in a trouble because I have a temper and you're going to bring out the worst in me when you take me for fool.
Oh, okay.
And he did that a second time. So the second time when he did that, I know it was even worse than the first time. I did have to leave.
He did it a second. Men are such
Him have
bastards.
listen, he is. Him have a best friend that's from India, right? She's Indian, but she loves black men, specifically Jamaican men. She's promised to a man in India by her parents. Even though she's born and raised here, she's promised to him in India. Her parents took her to India to marry this man, which is like 2 times her age, old as hell, and she couldn't do it. She said she cannot, and it was like a disgrace or a letdown for her family. So they, out of spite, took her passport, took everything. Let me call her Priya. I don't want to say her name just in case. Priya took her stuff and came back to the United States. She was stuck in there. So she finally, you know, called the embassy, go through the whole process and get her way back to the US because she was born here, right? So when she came back here, her father and his brothers were looking for her to unalive her because it's a big disgrace for the family.
Them into them thing.
That was his best friend. I knew about her, and so it was nothing there, right? So what he did was he knows whenever the girl brother would call him and say, "Can you hide her for a little bit? My father is going crazy. He's looking for her. He knows she's back in the US and he's searching for her." So she's moving from people house to house to house hiding. And he said, "Sure, I have no problem. Met her before. Really nice girl." Why get really serious where it get tricky? Whenever she would call and we say, "Babe, 1 second, Priya, call me." I almost said, "Money, Priya, call me." And I would say, yeah, do your thing. Because I'm like, I don't want to harm this girl. And he would take the call and it wouldn't be anything. No problem. We said, we have to leave. We have to go pick her up. I said, okay, go on. Do what you have to do. Nothing is there. Me not even think nothing. One night, he came over on a Friday night to go see a movie. And we saw the last movie. The last minute we decided, and we came out, we were in the movie like 1 o'clock. So you know, that's the last movie almost coming out. His phone is going off. Me lean upon him. So my phone will go off on my elbow hard. Voop, voop, voop. And he took out the phone and look on it. And I saw her name and he put it back. And that already, remember the first incident. So him knows that me have the thing on the shelf for me remember him do. So no, him not know good grace. Me not trust him none at all. And I thought that was very strange that he put the phone back in her pocket, given the fact that you know she could be in danger and need somewhere to hide or need you at this moment.
Right.
Why you didn't answer? I said, why you not answer her?
Right.
Him said, "Nah, but I didn't answer." And he never give that response. He always jumped to answer her to save her, to hide her out or move her somewhere from one place to the next. And that right there gave him away. He should have gotten up out of the movie, say 1 second, and I would never have thought anything. Answer her and say, "I'm at the movie," whatever, and come back and say, "Oh yeah, she all right, I do something." I would never have thought anything. The fact that he put the phone back in her pocket, in his pocket, and didn't answer him, I said, okay. He said, "Me call her when the movie over, when we go outside. The movie soon done anyway. I wanna, you know." We got out the movie theater, him not call her back. So we walked to the car. I'm like, "You're not gonna call her back? What if she's in danger?" She need, "Boy, I may have to call Priya tomorrow, man." And right then I knew, because if it was her, why would you wait until tomorrow? She could be dead, right? Excuse me, she could be unalived, right?
Right.
Why you not answer? So me said, okay, all right. Now the planning would have to begin. Me now go jump and do like me do the first time because, you know, me have to gather evidence this time. Me say, okay.
Right.
So anyway, we got in the car. The phone a vibrator ring non-stop. The girl a call him non-stop. But the name is coming up as Priya. And him now, so I said, I can't figure out. I know something is off. Anyway, long story short, we get to the house. We are going to now get ready to go wash up and brush up teeth and go for going out of bed. And him ready to go. Normally you go brush and come back, and then me go and brush and come back, use the bathroom, whatever we do. Me not do it together in front of you. So why he want me to come with him? So I thought that was very strange. Let's go brush our teeth. So I said, go on, you go on and come. Because he knows, so I go check the phone now. Him suspect say he can't take up the phone and go into the bathroom. That's very obvious. And he don't want to leave me with the phone. So that's another red flag. I say something up. Anyway, him go on into the bathroom. The moment he go into the bathroom, me quickly go into the phone. And when I saw, yes, because I call back the number to say, Priya, are you okay? Because why you not answer? I knew it wasn't her. I knew that it wasn't her. I knew that already because he would have answered her. He would never leave her out there in the cold like that. The moment the person answered and said, hello, I heard the accent. Even though she's born here, because she's around her family, she have a little bit of an Indian accent. So the moment the person answered, me know say it wasn't her. And there and then I figured out what it was. He knows once I see Priya, I would never be suspicious. So you save another woman number as Priya. So when me see, I say, oh yeah, go and go talk to her, everything are. Me not gonna think anything. And that's what he did. And I had a suspicion that's what it was. Because I said, if it was really her, he would have answered right away. I said, we have to leave the movie. Because there's times when we're somewhere and we have to leave and drop him, help our brother hide her and all of these things. Because our father's looking for her. Right. So this time she called you 10,000 times and need you and you not answer. Yeah. I thought that was very suspicious. And right there and then, I said, listen, I knew. So I'm on the phone. Mr. Hello, I said, I noticed that you're calling my boyfriend's phone. She said, boyfriend? She laughed. She chuckled. Ooh, I said, who is this? I said, listen. And she get defensive. I said, listen, I have nothing with you. I don't know you. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Because we're at the movie and someone is calling his phone nonstop. And it's saying his best friend's name. And apparently that's not you. So he said, wait, hold on. He said he has his best friend. I said, yeah. He said, oh, I see now. Listen, I met I almost same name, the man, the gentleman, Raga, 3 weeks ago, and we've been talking and whatever. I said, where did you guys meet? Him go for lunch, and she's American, looking at trying Jamaican for the first time, and him struck up a conversation and say, you're struggling with the menu, everything is good, man. And they started
so he met her in a restaurant when she was trying Jamaican for the first time.
Jamaican for the first time, right. So she struck up with the conversation.
And she ended up try a Jamaican for the first time.
I try a real Jamaican meat. Yes. That's how we get busted right now. So when he come out of the bathroom now, me stay on the phone, and me have a nice work, and me want to stay on the phone and tell me more. So I say, how long? When she started telling me everything, 3 weeks, and they've been talking on the phone, and the reason why she's calling him, she was supposed to, they've been on 2 dates, and he was supposed to come over and spend the night. And he thought that was very strange, like he ghosted her out of nowhere. So she thought that was very strange. He said, okay, no problem, I'll be there shortly. But he never go as she, because he knows you and I have a movie date and him have to come to me. So that's why she keep calling him, because she's like, him no skill. Him should find a way to get rid of her or block her for the night or something when you come to me.
Right. Go
him not do that.
Him shouldn't have
him not smart.
Him shouldn't have a call. And him phone shouldn't have do that something the way y'all feel it to her, whatever.
Exactly.
Like that.
So when you look, the look alone on his face when him burst and say, all right, baby, you that meaning me if you go brush now or something. And him come in and see me on the phone and I put it on speaker. I say, hold on. I said, yes, he can hear you. All of a sudden, I say, oh, him no want to talk. Him I do the same thing when they do me the time. I be trying to be silent and I want to say much because he no want to confirm. Like, you don't want to, the girl, just hang up the phone. I said, no, she wants to. Oh, so you didn't tell me that you had a girlfriend, and we both are there right there. And then she's on the phone, me I confront him. And him busted. Him could have hardly said nothing. I said, listen, thank you so much.
He never grabbed the phone for you and broke against the wall and said,
no, I'm not going to try that. Maybe if I was at his house and I try that, but my mom is in the other room. My family's there. So I'm not going to create no higher commotion at one something because we came from a late movie.
One second. The person about inbox me, I'm paying $10,000 to the first 70 inbox me with fear. Block out their nastiness, the film Christina, right? But fling them in a bush. We not entertain them something over here, so. Christina, where you there? Christina go in the bathroom. Oh, she mute them. Okay, go on. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, when he came in, face looked like he see a ghost. And I said, that was the last straw for me because
you and him never do it after that?
No, that
No,
was it
man,
because
you did do it couple times while, because
no,
when I break up, when I do it couple times sometimes while when I break up. No? No?
I had to make a conscious decision right there and then
Oh.
because when I got off the phone, I said to her, "Thank you, blah blah blah." Because there was nothing against her because she didn't even know about me. So I cut her off the phone. I said, "Leave me place." I was whispering because my family is in the house, my mom is in the other room. I said, "Leave me place right now, babe." All of a sudden, you want to talk and explain when he wasn't doing that when she was on the phone. I said, "I don't want you to hear anything." He said, "This is the second time I'm catching at these wicked situations. Please, I do not want to." Me no want to go to jail. Me no want my mother to bail me. I don't want to embarrass myself in front of my mother. Leave. Him no want to leave. So me start get lower. But then my mom heard and said, knock the door. Is everything okay? What's going on, guys? Because I got loud. I want you to leave. I said, Mom, I want him to leave. And he does not want to leave. My mom said, listen, such and such, Raga, if she does not want you to be here, it is best, believe me, you just pack up your stuff and take your stuff and leave.
Okay.
Because my mom, it would have been a big thing, but my mom was there. Him not gonna disrespect my mom, and I'm not gonna show out and behave horrible in front of my mom. So, but that left me, I my mom walk him out, and that was it. Wicked mother called me.
I'm not done.
Sister called me.
This so it
Yeah, me done. Because listen, I could have gotten up and go take out one hammer and start hammering head and then me get myself in the phone. For what?
No,
Over
that
what?
wouldn't be a good idea. Any hammering I go on must him and hammer
Exactly.
you.
And the fact that my mom has never heard me curse, but stay through the wall and hear me tell him some bad word, and my mom is like, she don't know that side to me. That's just me with my college friend being rude, not at home. So to hear my mom hear that, me said, is someone gonna bring out the worst in me for me to even curse so my mom can hear?
Was the woman who did that on the phone? You remember her name? Was it Marcia Goodas?
No, it was not. But it was she, see?
If I did Marcia Goodas, I didn't know. Because Marcia Goodas is a body thief, so we know that we just the one way if I did.
Hence our last name, but we don't have a character.
Yeah, it have a character and whatever and things. So anyway,
that's how me learn.
That's how you learn.
That's how me learn.
And then from after that, you know the road code, and so you say if any bone I give you, I give the bone after that, don't?
HTB bond, national bond.
Yummy.
I will give you the fact you will get it out when on Easter because me learn now. I'm wicked.
I saw you
wicked
buddy.
Right, true. Like night Joe. Yes.
That's how you more right.
Have a good night, y'all. I'm in the chat.
Yeah, no man, thanks. Yeah, I'm sure that we do and think, interesting. Look at me.
Let me give one note to the ladies. So don't sit and cry and why me? Because you could be the perfect girlfriend, the perfect wife, doing everything. And if he wants to step out, he will. Don't sit and cry. Teach, beat and teach. But them need to learn too. Let them know, okay, we can both play this game. And men, you only play checkers. Women play chess. Have a good night, Raga.
Okay, all right, mama. But you hear what she said? Ladies, don't sit and cry. No, me take it on. Don't sit and cry. Beat and teach. Don't sit and cry. Beat and teach. Yeah, I see somebody in a chat named Blondie now. Blondie, don't sit and cry. So much 100 days. So Blondie, beat and teach. Right? Jeannie, no sit and cry. Jeannie, beat and teach. Veronique, no sit and cry. Veronique, beat and teach. You see how Cheryl, I could have Cheryl dip on the phone. And that me I'm telling you here. And that's why I think that I ball over man and think that is so yesterday. But nobody with them something there, all right? No ball over, no man. I no beg nobody to stay with you, no. Man and woman, remember me I telling you that all the while. Never you are beg in them day and age and I beg nobody to stay with you. Don't beg nobody to stay with you. If them want to go on, make them go on. Greetings.
Hi, Rene. Good night.
Hey, what's up, boo-boo? What's up? Why go on?
How are you?
No, me day I look on you the better one.
I want to scream, but it's night and I'm not in the house.
No, wait there. Your
I'm
phone,
not in the house. I cannot scream.
your phone a break up in a minute. I don't know how I go. Hello?
I'm not in the house by myself, so I cannot scream. I wanted to scream and I cannot scream.
Oh, you want to scream, but you can't scream. Who that a scream? I know you a scream. Okay. So go
I
on.
cannot scream.
All
This
right.
is my first. No, it's not me. It's not me.
Me know.
I'm doing fine.
Me
How
know.
are you? It's.
Me there I look for you
I've
the
been,
better one.
I've been listening to you since ever.
Really? Yeah. So you better listen. Me unrolling this and all them thing the how long you know, though.
I've been listening you from way back then, Ruggles, from way back when since I was a baby, literally.
All
Sometimes
right.
I creep up underneath the bed, come off of the bed, creep up underneath the bed just to hear you.
Oh.
And Ruggles, let me tell you this, you know,
Yeah.
are you make me the type of person I am today, you know. Yeah, man. I was a very, very, very sneaking apprentice. Yes, very sneaking apprentice.
And what happened? Well, what we like the type of person what you mean like broke out or something? Or learned something of them or something?
Me would say broke out, you know. Me would say broke out, you know, Raga. But you know, me face step on the TikTok and we still can't let down with guard.
All right, no,
We can't let down with guard. We can't let down with guard.
Me understand that, man.
Yes,
auntie. But you know,
but you are the one that, you know, has been, you are the one
sorry?
you know, have sense, know we are doing all these things and juggle and juggle and juggle and juggle and
Big
juggle.
up yourself, man. See, all right? But and you sound relaxed with it, and you know, you acquired, let's say you acquired some valuable knowledge that you were able to apply to your benefit. All right?
Definitely.
All right, then.
But
Cool,
Raga,
cool.
one of the time you disappear, man. Right as we start turn big woman, you disappear and you're gone.
No, you know, so me never check going and come. Hold on there. Share our phone are going and come on. Check. Hello?
Here.
Yeah. No, man, me never
I'm
disappear.
here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, man, me I hear. Me never disappear, you know. You know, so people just never did know me there. Right? One, some people never did listen to Tambourine radio even when...
Raga, then thief you away from we. Raga.
Me know,
Raga,
but...
after the EPA beating, then when me get fi go my bed at night time for stop listening big people argument, Raga, right as we start turn big woman, them just thief you away from we.
No, man, we did run it up
Or
here
from
foreign,
me.
but a lot of people never get the new connection. You see what I say? All right, a lot of people never get the new connection and thing, but me did always, and then me did over YouTube for a while, and enough people never know some me did over there. And thing for years, me did over YouTube, and whole heap of people never know me did over there. One of them thing there, you know. And then
Raga, it looks
Tambourine.
like the internet not working with you tonight because my audio hear you, and it seems like you are hearing me as well.
All right, I the same thing. So what you have to do now? Listen, watch back the show and listen back the show tomorrow, 10 o'clock over TamFam TV here. You hear what I say? You hear what I say? You hear me now? You hear me now? You not hear me? All right, you have some look at internet difficulties there and things. See?
I'm not hearing you. It's breaking up really badly. The connection is going in and out.
All right, then I saw it set, man. But listen about the show and watch about the show tomorrow. It's over TamFam TV over YouTube if you can hear. TamFam TV over YouTube. All right, big up yourself, man. Respect for the healings and things and blessings and more life and protection. All right. All right. Yeah, sure. Wi-Fi act up, internet act up and thing. You see what I say? Internet must, you know, it like she have like a hot and spicy situation there with the Wi-Fi, yeah. One of them little thing there. And people may go in at the hours, you know it going on. Alright? Little movements are gonna make you night, yeah. Well, not movements, work, you know. May have some. Lion Queen says she and Dr. Mac have the same Wi-Fi. Yo, greetings. Hello. Hello? Hello? All right, we're not in the itching thing, you know. Movement, legoments. And people go and big up on yourself, you know, and I know some of them Mondays to Thursdays. All right, man, I'm telling you now, all who not join over Big Yard yet, you don't need to join Big Yard, because I'm going to do a live from over there sometime over the weekend, all right? So if you not join Big Yard yet, make sure you not join Big Yard, because I'm going to be doing either 1 or 2 live over the weekend from over there, exclusively from over Big Yard. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com. Miss Kimmy Dreams, you're late. Elaine don't talk already. tamfambigyard.com. You go over there and you join for free, right? Again, I'll be doing either 1 or 2 lives over the weekend over Big Yard exclusively, not here. So you need to join over tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com. And you join and you can download the app from over there too. Once you join and you go in, you're going to see where you can download the app. And remember, the app is not available on the App Store or the Google Play Store. It's something you have to download from over there. Again, join tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com. You can join for free. Once you join, and thing, when the live are going on, you'll get a notification either in your email or a push notification, all right? Once the live are going on and thing, you can get a notification and thing, see? But you have to join over there. And again, it's free. And when you go over there, you go over to Big Yard Theater. So when you join, you're going to go in a Big Yard and you're going to say, you're in the yard, right? And then you're going to see the link, the banner for Big Yard Theater. This is a bag of something going on, all right? And this is the live I go show from and all these things, all right? tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com. Join, okay? And also, if you're over here at TikTok and you're not follow me yet, make sure so you follow me now. If you watch me right just upon TikTok and you're not follow me yet, make sure so you follow me now. All right. Yeah, man, tamfambigyard.com, TamFamBigyaad, TamFamBigyaad. So I'm going to do a couple lives from over there over the weekend, but you have to over there for know what going on, okay? Also, as usual, tonight's show is going to be posted over YouTube at TamFam TV. Over YouTube, TamFam TV. Over YouTube, TamFam TV. Miss Kimmy Dream, when you say it over Facebook right now, don't worry yourself, man, see? Right? Again, though, don't get it confused. The live, yeah, it's going to repost over YouTube 10 o'clock tomorrow morning at TamFam TV over YouTube. Over YouTube at TamFam TV. That's different from our community, TamFamers community, which is at tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com. It's a different thing that, all right? So Miss Kimmy Dreams, make sure you go over tamfambigyard.com and join. All you need is an email address and a username. And you join for free, right? And when I go live over the weekend, you're going to get a notification that I'm live over there, all right? God bless, big up yourself. It's a good night. A long time you listen Ragashanti and you call in sometime. Big up yourself, man, all right? Love and blessings, man. See, Miss Kimmy Dreams, big up yourself. Everybody large up, proof of large up and things, see? But again, make sure if you're not join Big Yard yet, go join it now, right now. Just go in your browser. Raga me all this here from second back of me days in the daytime. Yeah, second back of me all the about same way, man, see? Right? Second back of me the about same way. Christina, big up. But make sure someone join tamfambigyard.com to get the notification when we're going live over there over the weekend, all right? See? Cheryl Bless, big up yourself, man. Love and blessings, man. Cool? All right, people, take care of yourself, you know. Legoments, you know. All right, and you hear where in a Lion Queen say, if you're not gonna give bun, don't get nobody who jealous, possessive, and aggressive, yeah? We don't want somebody who understanding, patient, and she said one another word. All right? I remember if you have a good man or a good woman, don't bun them. Don't bun them. If you have a good man or a good woman, don't bun them, right? But if you feel say you have to do your thing, do your thing. But do your thing with balance and respect, don't. And don't violate against your partner if them not deserve it, don't. See it? All right. Blessings, people and things. They all take care now, right? Respect and honor. One TamFam. Every time. We hit the whole hand, you know what I say? Silent listener, but I've been listening to you since prep school days. Love your body, yo, a long time that, you know. From prep school, what? Solid dog. Carry, big up yourself. And Tasha, large up, Hershey Pie, big up, you know. Diamond, you know, Maxine. All right. Well, Auntie Maxine, big up yourself, man. Seeing, me see you. Raga, what happened to Nikki Blacks? And, you know, I think did reach Nikki Blacks, no. Certain thing I can't say about, certain thing did public though, you know? As no founder know. So, certain thing did reach Nikki Blacks and thing, and she'd have to make some movements, you know? Christina said, wait 2 minutes, Raga, always at 100,000 likes. I saw. It's there. It's like 101,000 likes, CBS. So. Baby lips, wagwan. Baby lips, more meat. How much piece of fish in I pot, baby lips? You're going like say, baby lips, listen to me, man. More meat. Wow, more meat, baby lips. Okay? You understand? Don't make me come over there, come look in my pot and see what I go on, because you're going like you want to sing coffee meat and for me, you know, baby. People, it's an inside joke. If you weren't here yesterday, you won't get it, you know? All right, more meat. More meat. Want to see what I go on, I pot the baby lips. Don't go around the thing, you know? Ground, you want grounds up, man, and thing and come hide off the meat and thing. And where you depend. Don't do that. You rang up for that baby lips. Don't do it. That was so funny last night, man. All right. Love and blessings, people. All right, cool. Again, may I say it one last time. If you're not registered over Big Yard, you can do it right now. TamFamBigYard.com. TamFamBigYard.com. Even if you're watching the repeat, register at TamFamBigYard.com. Remember the yard spell Y-A-A-D, right? So it's TamFamBigYard.com, right? And even if you go to TamFamYard.com, you go to see me. But, you know, TamFamBigYard.com, because over there, name Big Yard, see? Ragashanti something, TamFam something, and sitting. And the infrastructure is in place, so it's all about content now. So I kick it off this weekend and go on with something, see? All right? So make sure someone will register. Miss Kimmy Dreams, why did I think I was following you on YouTube already? If you want to follow me up on YouTube already, it's TamFam TV. There is a Ragashanti page over there, and there is a Raga Law thing, but them not really have, the Raga Law don't have no content yet or anything. All right, Miss Kimmy. So you say just follow me over YouTube, proper, just subscribe over YouTube. Big up yourself, man. All right, let me make sure I follow you too, man. Okay, cool. All right, people, bless upon yourself and thing in the movements and things, see? Love and blessings. You want to take care of you and yours now. Remember, you can't love another until you first learn to really love yourself, you know? All right? Straight blessings, man. Cool. CBS, big up yourself. Enough thanks here. Everything is everything. Pauli and the whole crew. Pretty one queen. Wagwan. Bless up, man. Cool. Naki B anyway there. Munchie and the whole crew. SDC, Sham, and the whole works and things. See? Letter. Anyway, they large up, seeing me, nah, you don't know. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Remember for K, no, that. I wanna put that comment there, comment there, look. Hershey Pie says she got thief somebody now. It's right there in the chat, people. Hershey Pie says she got thief them for somebody right, you know. God bless Shanti. Raga, me see why you never look old. You always a smile. What you mean? All when we go through some serious tribulation, we not let go to smile, you know. Yeah. They saying you have to smile in a storm. You see what I'm saying? That's how they do. All right? Straight blessing, man. Take care of yourself. Them for Noah. Oh, yeah. 7. Mad thing. Good night, Pastor Shanti. Good night to you, too. One Miss Cherry wash belly, nah change, nah switch. Never big up Miss Cherry. They done gone all long and thing, but the legacy strong and thing, don't. Give thanks to it. We manifest Miss Cherry, you know. Yeah, when you see Raga juggling, you know, manifest the more lady, mother, don't. Yeah, and she set it. So man can there, I get it. And still I bless it. All right? Straight respect, man. All right, people, bless up on yourself. Make sure it's on the register of a big yard if you not do it yet. We're going to shut a life from over there. See? Honor and respect. Outer road. Well, outer road is just like a euphemism, but it's like, I'm out. All right, cool. YouTube, family, Fritz, and the whole work. Big up on yourself, you know. All right. Lock off them thing, yeah.